Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're all set up. Good to see you all here today. It's going to be a good day, man. We got Thursday here in front of us, and you know what that means. We've got unemployment claims coming in here today. So going ahead and really quickly taking a look at the news. We'll see what's going on here. Can you guys hear me okay? Let me just lower the music a little bit there. All right, cool. So we've got a Thursday, right? Beautiful Thursday ahead of us here today. It is the 19th of October. So we're moving along here in October. All right. Now let's take a look at the news real quick. And we just want to dive into, let me just check gold real quick, because I was looking at some closures here on gold. So yeah, I think we should be straight for maybe 30 minutes from now. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, we do have unemployment claims here today. So that's what we're going to jump into. I just want to make sure we're good on this closure. We got about 10 minutes here, or 10 seconds. So let's take a look at this, and then we'll proceed. How y'all feeling though? Everyone doing good? What up, Yanosh? Z Gamers in the house. What up, Dennis Hood? That guy TK's here. What up, TK? All right, so let's take a look at this, right? So price has been ranging here on gold. 1 hour time frame closed above, 30-minute time frame closed above, but we've got these resistances, right? So I was looking at this 1 hour to fill this wick, but I think we will hold off. So let's go ahead and take a look at the news real quick again. So again, unemployment claims here today, also very, very important. Powell will be speaking here today, right? So Powell will be speaking later on at around noon, and that may stir some things up later on, but we have USD news all throughout the session today, gang. Just take a look at all this highlighted news here. Should be a very, very high volume day here today. We've been ranging quite a bit here, so there should be another massive breakout. So we're going to be looking forward to that. I do like the closure that we got, where we got it. I just don't like the candle too much, and I don't like the 30-minute time frame just yet, so we're gonna be patient here. But yeah, anyway, so a lot of news ahead of us here today, gang, so let's just be prepared for that. That should bring in a lot of volume, which will be good for us, and you know, we'll just wait for our opportunities, right? It's just another day, another opportunity here to be disciplined in the markets, and just come here to do what we do best, right? And it's being patient, waiting for the playbook setups to show up, and at the end of the day, that will move us forward. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this gold and do a big old top-down analysis here. Cool? Y'all ready? Y'all like the stream or what? How y'all feeling anyway? What up, Gotta Trade? If you guys could give the stream a like, that would be awesome. And let's do this real quick. So taking a look at gold, we're looking at this monthly time frame here. We are really ripping up, right? We've broken the highs here. So yesterday we broke the highs here on gold on the monthly time frame. Really no surprise, right? No surprise there. Price closed with no bottom wick on the monthly last month. It also closed right as support. So again, this was the range, right, that we were looking to fill. So let me get rid of this guy right here, and let me draw a different color, right? Because y'all remember, you guys who have been here for quite some time, we were waiting for closures below here to go ahead and fill that range. Now what has happened? That range has been filled, right? We filled that range. This candle did its job. The next candle finished the job, and price now is pushing back up. You know, no surprise. So price pushed back up. We've broken the highs. We still don't have a top wick on this monthly candle either, so there may be an opportunity there for price to continue up here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the monthly. Monthly did close bullish as weekly, I'm sorry, did close bullish as well. Did close bullish with no top wick, made a bottom wick, and we seem to be running now, right? I think real bullish confirmations on this time frame would be probably above 1961 for our weekly closure, but that's not going to happen until late tomorrow, so we're not too focused on that at this moment. But we are bullish, right? We broke the monthly highs, so we're bullish on the monthly. We're bullish on the weekly, although we did close with no top wick. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily here and see how we can find some positions today. So let me just lower this. There we go. Hold on. All right, that should be good. All right, cool. So taking a look at the daily, right? Daily time frame did close above this level here, right? We had a major level of resistance. Candle did close above, made a small bottom wick, nothing too crazy, but we did come back down to 43 here to retest these previous resistances, right? Or this one right here. So what are we looking at now, right? We're looking at a bullish day, right? If we notice to the left-hand side, there's clean traffic to the left that we can potentially take advantage of. This candle closed very strong after making a support. You have now a breakout of this clean range here. Therefore, price on this candle should move up, fill this wick, and then possibly even come up, you know, into these resistances here today. So that's what we could potentially see. That's what we're going to anticipate happening. And then we'll also look on how we could take sells as well. So taking a look at the 4 hour, again, 4 hour has been very choppy here. So taking a look at this time frame, you know that once the breakout happens, it's going to be a massive one, right? It's going to be a big boy. So we are trying to break out. Now, just because this candle is above this white line doesn't mean anything, right? It doesn't mean one thing, because look where this candle was, and look where this candle was, and this one, and this one, and this one, right? All these candles at some point were pushing above this zone here, but none of them were able to close, right? And that's the key. That's the key. We need to see closures happen on these lower time frames, or on this 4 hour time frame, to anticipate the move going up. Because if this candle right here decides to close above the range, well, guess what? That candle has done something that all these candles here have been unable to do, right? And that is close above this zone here at 1950, right? And that's where we took that's where we're looking to take you know, positions at yesterday, and price pushed up to 62, tap target, and then we were out of there. So we may see another push up here on gold today if we can get some nice closures outside of the ranges here. So we got to break through. This candle's pushing pretty nicely. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour did make a bottom wick here. We did close above this level of resistance. There is a wick to fill as well. So this is your new range that price may fill here. So on the 30-minute time frame, you do have some, you know, strong levels of resistance, right? And we want to make sure we get past these levels here. So what we can do here today is sit tight on the 30-minute time frame and look for 1952, right? If we can get a closure above 1952 here, then I will be looking to take my buys moving up. Now, if we're going to look for sells, right, we want to measure this range, see how big this range is. So it's about a 50 pip range here. So if we're going to look for sells today, how are we going to do it? Well, sells don't look too good today, right? I'll be honest, man. Sells aren't the greatest. I don't really see gold moving down unless we just happen to do some sketchy fake out here. But other than that, we have a very, very bullish day here on gold. I think the 4 hour really needs to make a decision, right? Once this 4 hour chart and candles can make a decision whether they're going up or down, depending on the closures, that's when we're going to have a good read on where gold wants to go. Other than that, look at this, gang. Look, just chop. Look at the 1 hour. 1 hour just choppy, right? Super choppy price action here on the 1 hour, just moving in this range. Not much happening. Yeah, a couple little, you know, moves up, and, you know, not too much though, right? Just a bunch of consolidation for the most part. So same thing with the 30-minute time frame, just consolidating. Same thing with the 15, right? All just moving sideways here. So we really, really need the 4 hour to make a decision. And once that decision's made, then I think, you know, we'll have a good direction or a good read on where price wants to go. So if we're gonna take sells today, man, I don't know. I'll probably be below 45 here today. Yeah, at least below 45, because if we close below 45, especially if a 4 hour candle closes bearish, then you've got a nice, you know, 72, 70 pip range coming down. So that's what I'll look for in terms of sells here today. So sells below 1945, 875. We're going to look to take sells, and buys are going to be pretty clean above 52 here. So if we're moving up from 52, there's a lot of clean traffic, right? There's a major wick to fill here as well, and plus resistance. So let's see if we can come back up to our 1962 area here again today, and maybe look for, you know, some nice runners here. So just like yesterday, right? So same target as yesterday, 1962. Same day trading shirt on as yesterday, and yeah, we'll wait for the same closures as yesterday, right? 30-minute closures, and we'll be off to the races. So that'll do it here for gold. I think what we could do is we can potentially look for fake outs and buys back down here, right? And then maybe anticipate the move up as well. So I'm going to add one more line here to my chart, and that's going to be fake outs, right, for buys going up. Yeah, boom. No, not that one. This one. Fake outs for buys. Yeah, cool. That's it. That's the day. Simple. Simple, simple. Done. No more thinking. Hard part's done here, gang. Or should I say the easy part? Now the hard part begins. And what's the hard part? Waiting patiently. Waiting patiently for the right opportunities. All right, cool. That's it. Very, very simple here. So that's gold today. I'm gonna be looking to stay away from this range here. This is gonna be a no trade range here for me, unless somehow, some way we get the buys, right, to move back up. Some sort of fake out to, you know, push back up here. Other than that, gonna stay away from this zone here. Not gonna take anything off of that 1 hour closure. Not interested. And but anything above is clean, right? Anything above back up to 1962 here today is gonna be good money, and then anything below 1945 is gonna be clean as well, right? We've got a wick to fill down here, and nice clean candles, nice clean range. So that's it. That is the day. Yeah, and this is gonna be a no trade range too. Cool. We Gucci? Hey, shout out to everyone passing their funding challenges this week. Congratulations to all of you guys. Job well done, job well done. All right, I'm going to erase this, and now we're going to sit tight and wait on gold, and we're going to take a look at pound yen here. And then we will chill. Oh, nice. Pound yen moving back up. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at GJ. So GJ is bearish, right? So we did close on the, if we're taking a look at the weekly time frame here, we did close bearish, right? So if we're closing bearish, then that means we're having a bearish bias here. The only thing is we did close right at support, right? So we closed right at that support level. So price can go, you know, either way here at this point. There's really no solid confirmation for sells based off the weekly time frame outside of us just coming down, creating resistance, and actually printing bearish candles. But you know, just because that support is there doesn't mean we will reject here. We just have to keep in mind that that support is there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily as well. Daily time frame closed very nice yesterday. We opened up, pushed down almost immediately without really creating a top wick here. So very, very bearish here on the day. Looks like 4 hour now wants to pull up, right? There's a obvious support level right here, and it looks like the 4 hour tapped right into it, right? So we tapped into that support just like we did here and moved up, just like we did here and moved up. So you'll most likely now see a pump back up here for price to do some sort of retracement. Again, there's no top wick on that candle either, on that daily candle, so that may be something of interest for these candles here on pound yen. So we did get this exhaustion wick, a pretty obvious buy here. I wasn't on the chart at this point, but yeah, you got a nice support being formed. Price is creeping up now. Does it want to just pull back, or does it want to, you know, continue up today? So looks like we have a pretty strong level of resistance. We'll see if we can get some sort of fake outs here for price to move back down, right, on the day, because we are bearish here on the day. If we start pushing up and move above there, then there may be some opportunities for buys, probably probably somewhere above, you know, these levels here, right? You get a closure candle to close above, and you may see a decent push up. So probably gonna wait for that. Gonna look for opportunities to maybe come back down here on these sells, and if not, then you know, we'll take it candle by candle on the way up and see if anything nice presents itself here. So yeah, just gotta wait for pound yen to get some more structure going. But as of right now, we are pushing down. We may be coming up to create some sort of retracement, and then if we do get a candle to close bearish here, then we could look to take sells now, coming back down, lining up with the higher time frame moves, right? So that's it. That's what I'll be looking for on GJ. So we've got a wick to fill here. We've also got a wick to fill below here as well. So we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, that's it. Very, very simple here today. So GJ looking for fake outs for price to move back down around 181.650 here. And then I'll probably, again, we'll take a candle by candle here on these buys because we are very bearish, right? So we don't want to jump on buys too early, and it's also a bit choppy, right? Nothing too clean above here. So again, we'll take that candle by candle, but as of now, buys are going to be above 181.830 here. And if anything, we could probably just take our sells below here also. All right, if we get a closure back below, then we could take our sells here, but we're going to look to anticipate the fake out happening from somewhere around these ranges here. Ideally, probably right here, 181.650. So that's it. That's what I'll be looking at. If we can get a resistance we can form, we'll get into sells to come back to retest these lows here. And then gold, we're just going to wait for closures above on the 30-minute time frame. So that is the day. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now we just got to do it. Shiro, what up, Shiro? Classic Traders in the house. There's my friend. What up, Classic Trader? How you doing, bro? How we feeling? Good to see you back here, Classic. Is there a resistance at 1952? Yes. 1952. Yep. There may be a resistance at 1952 900, which is most likely a 15-minute resistance. I don't know if you're referring there, but yeah, I see that. But I'm going to most likely strictly base this off the 30-minute time frame here. Cool. How was my day yesterday? Awesome. Absolutely incredible. Good morning, Pablo. What's good, brother? What's goody? Yeah, pretty straightforward. Forex Gump. I like that name. What up, Louis G? What up, the Groom Smith? Good morning, Henry. Rapid Max is here. Oi! What up, Brian? What up, little kid? What's good, little kid? Are you a little kid or are you a big kid? Or are you a grown adult? About to change my username from time to eat trading to grown adult. What up, Blasco? Where's Mike? Ooh, we never know when Mike's going to show up. I don't come here for the trades. Coming for the knowledge, baby. Let's go. Good stuff. Good stuff. What up, J Fitness? To the windows. I seen you this morning. To the walls. Trying to get it. I see you trying to ramp it up, baby. Trying to bring the motion. Buenos dias, my friend. What up, YOLO Trader? YOLO Trader's in the house. Good morning, AB Mike. What up, brother? No hi. Oh, yo, AB Mike, congrats, bro. Proud of you, man. Keep going. Phase 1 done. Good stuff. It's an amazing feeling, bro, when you just follow the plan and get the job done. George VDM too, bro. Congratulations as well, man. We had a few people pass challenges as well. George, no surprise, man. We see you here every day. You're clearly learning, clearly growing, clearly putting in the work that most people aren't willing to put in. Same with AB Mike, and that's the reason why you guys are moving forward. That is strictly the reason. You want to be successful, you just do what successful people do. What up, Bruno? Hey, Rafi's in the building. Rafi, maybe we're gonna have Rafi come on tomorrow on Zoom if you're free, to maybe give people some insight on, you know, the mentality of what it means to actually win, what it means to actually you know, let go, right? A lot of traders are so just holding on so tight to every little move, every little pip, every little decision. And maybe you can come up here and explain to them the art of just letting go and letting things flow in life. And, you know, understanding that as long as you're doing the work, as long as you're doing the necessary actions, that anxiety, that, you know, all the nerves and everything, they can go away at some point, right? So maybe you can come up here and preach a good word for the people. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday, I think, right? Friday, yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, for those of you guys that don't know Rafi, he is a mental performance coach. He's worked with a lot of athletes, a lot of MLB ball players, and really helping them on the mental side of things. He's also worked with a lot of day traders, and he's got an incredible skill set. So yeah, we'd love to have you up here at some point, and yeah, maybe tomorrow we'll do it. Yeah, if you guys want to hear from Rafi tomorrow, put a W in the chat. Put a W in the chat if you want to hear from Waffy. 21K? Oh, yeah, we're creeping. You know, a lot of traders need that. If you go ahead and there you go. Yeah, we got W's in the chat. All right. A lot of traders need that, man. If you guys look at professional trading floors, you'll kind of get a good read on this. A lot of them have a mental coach right on the floor, like a psychologist, a mental coach, someone that these traders can go in and talk with. And, you know, a lot of times traders will bring outside emotions that they're coming from off the desk, whether it be in their personal life, whether it be in their family, whatever it is, right? And they bring these emotions to the desk. And, you know, that's one of the main things that traders really need to sort out and find that balance of, is just being really good at leaving that stuff outside of the office, right? Outside of the desk, so you can focus really well on the task at hand. Because, you know, trading is not, as some of you guys are finding out and have learned, trading is not the easiest thing to do, right? It's not the easiest career. But when you develop an edge and you have, you know, a good playbook, and then you get your mentality right, that's where things start to mold up and shape up for you as a trader. But man, sometimes you can have the whole technicals, the fundamentals, all that down pat, but you don't have the psyche on lock, right? And you're in trades, and you're thinking about something that you need to get done, and, you know, you need money for it, or whatever the case is, and you want to try and rush that in the market or something like that. So the mentality and the psyche of this is so important, right? You guys will see the memes, you know, a lot of this is, you know, mentality, right? It's all mindset. So yeah, I think that would be great. Yeah, all the trading floors that I've heard of, they all have a mental performance coach on the floor. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Still struggle with over trading and revenge trading. Can you give us a little speech on how you got past that? Yeah, I mean, I just kept seeing the result of it, right? The evidence was straight up in front of me that this isn't working. Right? Every time I overtrade, every time I revenge trade, it becomes a downward spiral. It never works out. And look, if I keep doing this, I'm going to have to go back and get a job. If I keep doing this, my wife is going to have to go back and get a job. And that's why I say, you know, think of some of the most important people in your life, and what would an extra ... do for them, right? Do for you, and what can you help them do? You know, we all have important people in our life that, you know, and I know, if you don't do something, they may be eating cat food, right? And pretty soon. So, you know, our families and, you know, our communities are really dependent on us. But you really got to think, man, if I keep doing this, am I ever going to get anywhere? And the answer that I found out was no. If I keep doing this, I'll just keep spinning my tires, and this will never click for me. It'll never work for me. And therefore, I will have to find another way to get money, right? So that scared the living daylights out of me. And that's when I decided to really mature. And what I did was I set myself up, and I said I'm only taking 1 or 2 trades a day. I was talking to my wife about this yesterday or maybe last night. I forget. But there was a time, and I was asking her, remember when I used to take the, you know, 10, 12 trades, come out of the office, tell you I don't even know what the heck just happened. Yeah, and now just sticking to that 1 or 2 trades. So I trained myself, right? I forced myself in the beginning to stick to 1 to 2 trades a day. And I was talking with an elite member about this last night too, was you have to understand when that moment comes, right? Parentheses, that moment. That moment is the moment that emotions are about to just rush in and take over your entire session. How many guys have been there? I've been there, right? I've been there. I've marked up my charts and sat down ready to go. And at some point, somewhere throughout the session, I don't know what happened, right? Like, I don't even remember what happened type stuff, right? It's like something took over. That moment came upon me when I took a loss or when I, you know, didn't get a trade in yet and I wanted to force something because I thought price would go somewhere or do something, right? I was trying to force a move out of the market, and that moment came, and that moment would take over me. And all of a sudden that would lead to overtrading. That would lead to revenge trading. That would lead to blown accounts 99% of the time. So what you need to do is you need to, and this is all comes back to the mentality, right? Is you need to almost have a third person outlook, right? You almost have to have like an outer body experience at that point and say, hold on. The moment has come, right? This is the moment. This moment usually takes over. But I'm not going to let it happen today, right? I'm going to stay disciplined. I'm going to stick to 1 or 2 trades a day. There is no trade here right now, right? Look at your playbook. Is this an actual trade, or am I just trying to get into a market because I feel I have to do something to make money? You know, that's the other thing, where a lot of you guys are entrepreneurs. A lot of you guys are go-getters. You're very ambitious, but you have to learn to pull that back, right? You have to learn to, you know, it's a shift, right? It's a total mind shift, because all you guys who are super ambitious and hustlers, and you're like me, entrepreneurs, salespeople, right? The more you do, the more you get, right? Grind, work all day, every day, right? I'm hustling, but that's not how it gets done here, right? So you have to take that, pull that ambition back a little bit. And it's weird, man. It's a weird, and you start making money and you're like, you know, I don't know, like I didn't really do anything. So you don't really feel that productive, but you got to understand that that's the game here. You know, I remember I would make, you know, like let's say last year I make like $750 or $1,000 in a day and feel like a bum, right? And I remember talking to my wife about this, and she's like, honey, like, don't even worry about it. Like, you made more today than some people are going to make in a week. Like, wasn't the goal to buy your time back? Like, don't now feel ashamed of hanging out here with us, or going to the gym, or whatever, doing whatever the heck you want, because you've earned it, right? So a lot of us ambitious hustlers, entrepreneurs, we can't really sit with that. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is, you got to pull it back, right? It's a different game here, right? This game is sit tight and strike when ready. It's not, you know, machine gun, hustle, right? Save that for your other business. And that's why a lot of entrepreneurs and business dudes, they understand what it takes to be successful, but they are typically the ones that overtrade and revenge trade, because they're so ambitious that they just want to put in the work, right? And they believe, and, you know, I believe too, that is a good mindset, but not with the charts here, right? Not with the charts. The charts, you got to be okay with sitting tight, relaxing, doing the bare minimum, waiting for the opportunity, striking when it comes, taking a profit and understand that it was a good day. It was a good day. All right. GJ. Oh, nice. See if we get a 30 closure here. Looks like 30 is going to close bearish, but 15 may close 30 may close bullish, but 15 may close bearish here. What time is it? 7:30? Yeah, I'd rather get a confirmation on the 30 here at NY Open that we have an exhaustion wick and price is literally officially closed bear. So I'm not going to take the 15 or anything like that here. Appreciate that, Sergio. What up, Sergio? TTE Bank Santos. Sounds like my brother-in-laws. All my Dominicans. My wife is Dominican, and you know Dominicans be having like 14 names, like Luis, Pedro, Alessandro, Henriquez, and Hernandez, and you know I'm like, damn, how many names y'all got? How many of your Dominican? How many guys are Dominican here? How many names you got? I just did what Nick said. I closed the MT5. Chills. Yeah, man. I've been there. Love from India. A love from Tampa, Florida. What up, Jimmy Lambo? Use the consistency rule that gets you fun. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Trading, I never show up and do anything different. Whether I'm down, whether I'm up, whether I'm on a personal account, whether I'm on a funded account, whether it's a phase 1, phase 2, live account. I just show up and do the same thing every day. Find your why. Yep. Yeah, YOLO trader knows. Got to think of that why. Where's Alexandru at? Oh, where is he? Where is he? When you say revenge trading, do you mean hopping into random candles? That's driving down to recover. Yeah, exactly. So after one takes a loss, what happens is they want to immediately get that loss back, right? None of us as human nature, we don't like to lose, right? Let's just not even talking about you as an individual, just human nature here, right? We don't like to lose. It's not fun. It doesn't feel good. Right? It doesn't feel good to be wrong, right? We all know this. And in trading, a lot of times, it's very easy to press a button and get back into a trade, right? Very easy. This is all I need to do to potentially make money here today. So it's so easy to go ahead and press that button. And a lot of times when you take a loss, your brain is in a state of mind of, remember, we don't like that as humans. It doesn't feel good. So you immediately want to feel better. Right, and you think, or we think, right, that by taking another trade and getting that win back will make us feel better. So what do? We go ahead and we enter more trades. And at that point, logic is typically out of the ball game, right? And this doesn't go if you can take a loss and look for the next best setup, and that's not revenge trading. Revenge trading is something that's a problem, right? Where you're diving back into the trade or into a trade because you don't like the feeling that you just lost. So you want to feel better and you want to take that win again, right? But that's not how things go here, right? So the best thing to do, and I remember Raja talking about this. He said, if you take a loss, sit out for at least one 30-minute candle. That really changed things for me, because what that was able to do for me was that was able to give me 30 minutes to cool down, 30 minutes to think clear again, right? And not just, rush into something. How many guys rush into things and random stuff in life, and you got to either do them over again or it didn't work out, right? Because you just rushed into it. So same thing here with trading, man. If you're struggling with over trading or revenge trading at that, and you take a loss, sit out 2 15-minute candles. Take a timeout. Timeout, coach. Right? Because what that'll do is that'll, number one, get you back to a logical state, make you see clear again, and also the candles, you may look back and be like, wow, thank God I didn't jump the gun there, right? Thank God I didn't do it. And the more you see that, the more you understand, wow, if I would have done that again, I would have took another loss and another loss. And then if you're smart enough, you'll realize that, hey, over trading, revenge trading is not good. Let me wait it out. Let me wait for the next best setup to show up, and then I'll pull the trigger. And you have to be totally cool with this as well. If that setup doesn't show up the remainder of the session, then I just walk away with my loss. That's it. I walk with my loss. I come back tomorrow for the next and look for the next best setup. I like the cross behind you. Hey, me too. Greetings, everyone. What up, Sniper 007? Oh, I like that. Sniper. Yeah, so we're going to be doing the it's not going to be it's technically not going to be a 24-hour stream. So what we're going to do is next Thursday, in celebration of 20K subs here on the Time to Eat YouTube channel, we are going to do a live stream that will begin during the Asian session on Thursday evening US time, right? Thursday US time, Asian session. And we're going to stream the entire Asian. We're also going to stream the entire, all throughout London, and then all through New York. So it's going to be one stream. The streams won't end. It'll just continue on. We're going to have a couple guests come in. We're going to, attempt to raise some money for some local charities here in Tampa. And so just so you guys have a heads up and know when that is, that's going to be Thursday coming up. Thursday. And we think we found a really good one. So I think, we do a lot of work here with the homeless down in Tampa. The older guys and girls, great, lovely people. But we haven't really done much for the kids, right? So I think what we're going to do, my wife found a pretty good organization where they help the kids out, right? So I think we're going to gear this one more towards the kids and see if we could raise some money, help some kids out, put some food in some bellies, and give them a good time. So whatever organization we do work with, or whatever we do end up supporting, just know that myself and my team, my brothers and my wife, we will be there. So we will have boots on the ground, and we will actually be there to see where the money goes, right? To help out. Oh, Zoom. Oh, we didn't send the Zoom link out. Zoom. Sorry, guys. How come none of y'all told me that? Let me make sure I put it in the right channel here today. We'll have the whole stream here. Yeah, so you guys don't have to donate. Don't feel obligated on the stream to do any of that, man. We're just vibing, right? So it'll be a good time. The cool part is we live under grace. We don't live under law, so you can give what your heart desires. If it desires to give anything at all, if it doesn't, there is no issues with that whatsoever. But we're just going to vibe out. We're going to have some good traders come on. And, some of my buddies that you guys know very well. I'm sure you guys see them online. We're going to have some traders come on and join us throughout that 20 or however many hour live stream that's going to be. So should be fun. Should be a good time. Good morning, Rosetta. Good morning. Can we do phase one? Wait, what? Can we do NAS 100, please? Yeah, let's take a look at the NASDAQ here. and do a quick breakdown there. So let's get rid of all the drawings here. Let's just take a look at the weekly and daily here. So weekly did close bearish, right? We did get off a nice rejection here. Price came up, made a top wick, looking good to continue down this week. Daily time frame, daily time frame did close below here. So we did get a closure below. Therefore, you've got clean traffic coming down right into this like 147 range here. So we'll see, right? We came down without creating a top wick. I think price may need to create that top wick, but we'll see that on the lower time frames, right? So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the 4-hour charts here. So very, very strong support coming down right here on the 4-hour chart. I think the squeakiest, cleanest sells are going to be in this range here today. So look for those sells below. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is very clean here as well. You may get a fake out up here to begin the sells from this point to come down. So there may be an opportunity in 20 minutes on this 1 hour closure. 30-minute opened up, no top wick just yet. I'd sit tight. I'd wait for NY open, and if you get a nice resistance, then there's a possible opportunity to take sells here. If not, maybe just wait for support for candles to close below the support, and then you got super clean traffic to the left, and then range 2 buys above here. If we make a range 2 and we basically break and retest this zone here, then most likely the daily will want to come up to create a top wick, right? Top wick on the daily candle. So if we're going to break the high and then retest on the lower time frame, 15-30 minute time frame, you should come up. There's no top wick on the previous daily candle either, so we'll see what happens there. But yeah, this is a bit of a range. You can take your sells in this range, that's on you if you like it, but other than that, best sells are going to probably be below here today. So yeah, that's it. Press record. I pressed record. Got it. Hey, that was the first thing I did today. First thing I did. What up, Green? How you feeling, brother? Oh, what up, boys? What up, Toby? All right, everyone's in Zoom now. Cool. Johnny Boy's here as well. Let's get Johnny Boy up here. Hold on, John. One moment. Don't speak just yet. Hold on. All right. Good morning, my brother. How you doing, young man?
Morning, Nick. I'm doing wonderful, bro. How about you?
Fantastic, bro. Fantastic.
Another day,
great
baby.
day. Another great one ahead of
chat.
us.
What's up, chat? How we doing? Morning, everyone in Zoom. Happy Thursday. Let's go.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah, how you feeling today? Good?
Feeling great, bro. Just another day, right? Hey, chat, another day. We get to follow our plan, be patient, disciplined to our system, right? That's the real win. That's the real win of the day.
That's the big
I know that's what I'm always on, and I know Nick as well.
That's the focus. When you pass a challenge, does the money you earn during that valuation go towards payout? Yeah, some of it does. Yeah, a small percentage. A small percentage. Press record. Hello, TTE. Hey, what up, Candle Slanger? Candle Slanger. Thanks, Andreas. Glad to have you here. Always like to have like-minded people around me, so that's awesome, man. Oh man, the weather has just been perfect. Hasn't it?
Bro, you ain't kidding.
Hasn't it just been dynamite?
Been amazing. 50s, man. It's reminding me of New York weather in in these fall seasons.
It's the fall, baby.
It's way better here.
So what do you think about gold here? Just consolidating.
Yeah, honestly,
Not doing
when I
much.
marked my ranges up for Asian, we haven't done anything since then. So
Yeah.
kind of had the same markup since Asian.
Yep. Yeah, after a big move like yesterday, price is trying to find its footing again.
Yeah.
We got the W. It's W.
W format. Hey.
What up, Shad? What's good, bro?
Want to chat?
What's goody, Shad? Oh, Titanic pattern? Get off the boat. Titanic.
Yeah. This makes our job hella simple, right? Like, we already marked up our charts now, so we're just waiting on price. We don't have to do it. We get some more info.
Yeah, man. We know what we want, right? We know the deal that we want. We're not gonna really take any other deal at this point. So it's either you get the close above and we shake hands and take the trade, or it's nothing here. That's all up to the market, man.
Yeah.
Right? What do we say? We ditched our bosses, and the market had become so we take our orders now from the market, right? So any opportunity or any time I'm gonna place a trade here, the market has to be telling me it's okay to do that, right? According to my edge. So that's it. We just wait. We don't trade off of emotion. We just simply trade with logic and wait for candles to print in our direction.
Simple.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you don't have to, it doesn't have to, you know, be too complicated. It really doesn't. No, I don't have any promo codes or anything like that. At this point, I'm not really representing or really, you know, any prop firms or anything like that. Yeah. Yeah, if I got a payout from the funded trader already, then I would give you my experience and maybe represent them a little bit more, but you know, we still need to see how they do. When you put buys above or sells below, do you wait for a minimum 30-minute to 1 hour close, or do you enter off the 15-minute too? Do you enter impulsive or always wait for candles to close? Good question. So yeah, most of the time we're going to wait for the 30-minute or the 1 hour. We also will take 15 minutes, right? But if I'm going to wait for closures above here and then I want to take a position off the 15, then I'm going to have to move this, right? So I'm going to need to wait for closures above that major resistance there, because that's in my way now. Right, so it depends what time frame I'm analyzing on and planning the trade on, but yeah, so 15, 30, 1 hour are all available for me. So I usually stick right on these 3 time frames. And do I impulse entry? I don't impulse entry. I do set buy stops and sell stops. So that kind of is in a way an impulse entry. I mean, every entry is an impulse entry, right? If you wait for a closure on the 1 hour, it's still an impulse entry on the 4 hour, but I know what you're referring to is, am I actually waiting for candles to close when I'm taking positions? And the answer to that is yes.
Yeah, and if we are trading the 15, it's 30 times the volume as well. Other than that, 30 minutes is stronger.
TFT is a scam prop. Trades disappear. Stops out like 5 pips away from your stop loss. Hey, I didn't say it, but Daniel said it. What up, Daniel?
Time will tell, man. Time will tell with these prop firms.
Just my experience. Yeah, no, I appreciate that, bro. I really do. I really do. I experienced I haven't experienced the trades disappear yet, I don't think, but the 5 pip away from stop loss, yes. Yes. Even entry at times. Right? Even entry. Like, man, it's just annoying. So so just so you guys know, some of my plans are so the big issue with what I'm experiencing, even with my Forex funds, even with the live accounts, you know, are the slippages, are the late executions and exits. They've been pretty drastic, right? So Dominion Markets has a program. So if you, I believe you have to put like 10,000 plus into an account, and they give you institutional liquidity. So you get straight into the liquidity. There's very low latency. Your orders are getting marked in and ordered right away. So there's no middleman type door you need to go through, right? It's just straight into the liquidity. So when you press enter, you're getting in at that price. When you press exit, you're getting out at that price. So that's something I'm looking into as well, because the way we trade, right? If we're gonna take a position here, let me show you guys something. Right, so if we're going to take a position and we're going to take a buy here, right? Let's say we're going to take a buy. This candle closes, we're going to take a buy. And we want to enter, let's say on the flip of the candle, right? So let's measure the range here. So you've got, let's say we're targeting that wick, it's 18 pips. So look, if the spread is 2 pips and the slippage is 3 pips, that takes 5 pips out of my 18 pip move, right? So the way we trade, this is the motto. I want the entry I want, right? I want the exit I want. And that's most important to me. I'm willing to pay in commissions. You know, I'm willing to pay more in commissions for the better entry, right? The better access to liquidity. So I think that's probably something I'm going to do here as well pretty soon. And I'll put one or the other on the copy trader.
Yeah, run on both accounts.
It's a bit ridiculous, to be honest.
Oh yeah, and I know everyone, of course, everyone needs a lot of capital, but everyone would rather make real money, right, instead of fake.
Oh, that too. Yeah, that too.
So I mean, I would run up the live account as well. I would run up both, to be honest. But if you can't, you know, that's something for you to think about.
There's pros and cons to each. There really is. There's pros and cons to both. You just got to figure out which works best for you. And if you can do both, right? Get yourself a copy trader and just run both accounts.
Yep.
Yeah, C4, 100%. I'll be honest, I missed those days. It's been over like a year. So I was trading on the MFF 100K account for about a year. So it's been about a year and a half since I've actually traded some of my own capital, like, you know, a little bit bigger account. So yeah, man, I agree. But again, pros and cons to each. Pros and cons to each.
Yep.
My big thing, and maybe you guys have experienced, is just the whole, like, actually getting entered into the liquidity. And some of you guys that are new here, you don't understand what I'm saying. But man, trade. You know, I remember the first time I placed trades. I'm like, yo, what's this drawdown I'm in right away? Right? That's how I learned about spreads. I remember, when I was getting slipped. Whoa, what's this? That's slippage, right? Hold on, what's this extra fee here? That's commissions, right? So you got to pay to play, right? You got to pay to play. And, there's a lot of things that, we don't understand when we first begin trading. And the whole prop firm thing is good, right? They pay out, which is all I really care about, but you're not really getting entered into the actual market, right? It's a simulated market condition. Contacted support, they said nothing they could do. Yeah, it's a simulated market. It's not perfect. There you go. Look, that just literally confirmed what I said. Have I ever considered trading futures? What up, Facile? Yeah. Yeah, yep. Yeah, and this isn't saying like, yo, funded accounts suck. Like, no, not at all, man. Funded accounts are great. Like, funded accounts have provided an incredible lifestyle for me, right? So they've worked out really, really well. But I have seen some sketchy things here and there. What's a copy trader? A copy trader is a program that you can link two or accounts, or more than two, right? You could probably link like 10, I think. But you can link these up so that any trade you take on one account will also be taken on the other account. So you'll have like a master account, and then you'll have these, secondary accounts, third accounts, and they just sit there. You don't have to open the terminals or anything. Everything will be linked to one master account, and then whatever trades you take on that master account, they'll be taken on the other account. So when you open trades, close trades, all that stuff, it'll just duplicate over. Yeah, I use a copy trader. It's called Social Trader, the Social Trader. And there's another one. Maybe TK could remind me because I can't remember what the name is. The funded trader commission. Yeah. So you guys see what I mean. And hey, I don't mind paying a little bit more in commissions, but at least give me the entry I want, right? At least give me the price that I want. Also with Dominion's really doing stuff that not many brokers are doing, like, right, the connection to the institutional liquidity, right? Not many brokers are doing that. Also, if you are like a client that does put in over 10K, then they give you, I think normally commissions are 7, and I think they bring it down to like 3 or 3.5. So pretty solid. Traders Connect, there it is. Yep.
That's the one you use too, right?
No, I use Social Trader, but Traders Connect is really good too, from what I've heard. Yeah, exactly, Jay. I would say the same thing. Just milk the funded as long as you can, right? Until it doesn't. Yeah, I mean, there's still good leverage there, right? There's still great opportunity, and again, pros and cons to each.
Yeah.
Who got the My Forex Funds refund? Yeah, a few friends. I mean, I didn't get any, but a few of my friends did. What prop firm have you had the least problems with? Probably FTMO. Probably FTMO early on. They were solid. They never really had an issue. Never really had a problem with them. My Forex Funds, oh man, there was one time I got slipped like 70 pips. And they couldn't do anything about it, so they I made the most with them, but they were a bit sketchy, and obviously you can see now what happened to them. Yeah, I'll be honest, MFF, it was just little things all throughout the time, right? Just little things that were little enough to not really complain about, but big enough to notice, if that makes sense. When did you start to pay off your debts? I had already been working on the debts. It was mainly my wife had some college stuff, so we banged that out.
College.
They credited my account like 2 days ago. Yeah, nice. Dope.
Well, at least some people got paid back, right? Out of that.
Yeah, but they didn't get that from actual Traders Global. They got that from like credit fraud. So it's not like My Forex Fund's like, hey, don't worry, I know we did wrong. We got you. We'll hook you up.
I wonder what's good with that guy. wonder what he's doing.
Yeah, I don't know.
I wonder if he's seeing any jail time or anything like that.
Billionaires very rarely go to jail.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's a billionaire though. But.
Who knows how much money he's got.
Do I think prop firms will stop working? No, I think regulation will come in and that will smoothen things out for the trader, right? Because what's happening is the traders in a way are kind of getting the crappy end of the stick, right? When it comes to this stuff, especially the profitable traders, right? Because think about it, myself and, you know, everyone who had live accounts, when they get paid out, that is the business's biggest expense, right? So these companies make a lot of money on sales and marketing or sales, right? And their only expenses really are some marketing, some website stuff, and the live account traders, right? The payouts. So it's pretty weird, man. It's a weird thing. So hopefully some of these companies are doing it right for the traders, but a lot of them are just, you know, not really doing it, you know, in the benefit of the actual live trader who's making money, because again, that's their big expense. All right, we got NY Open here. So NY Open is upon us. We did close above on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see if we can get a bottom wick, and we should be good to fill this wick here up top. So there's no bottom wick on the previous 30 just yet. 1 hour looks clean though. 1 hour is a nice closure. So we'll see if we can get a bottom wick here and then, you know, potentially pop back up. Slip them to jail. Top tier trader. I've never used them, so I'm not too sure. Yeah, I never used top tier yet. All right, let's see if we can get a bottom wick. Maybe 815, maybe the play. If we can kind of come down, make a bottom wick, close back above the range. Next 15 breaks the high. Comics open, 830 along with it. There is some obviously news coming out here, but that should continue to take us up for the most part. So we'll see what happens on this candle here. Yeah, Toby, I feel you, bro. Hard bottom wicks have been hard to come by the past few days, and I seen somebody say that in the Discord. I was like, yeah, you're right. Hey, did I see Leo? I think I seen Leo back today. Leo Braxton. Did I see Leo? Pretty sure I've seen him. Toby. Toby's in the house. I seen him in the Discord, Leo. Wham Capital? Where's Wham at? Is he here? He might be here. He might not be. We're going to wait for him. We're going to wait. Leo, yeah, I saw him in the Discord too. What up, Donald? What up, Donald? Where's Bradley? Is Bradley here too? Bradley in the house. I think I seen Bradley on Wix's stream too. Greenery. He's fighting a buffalo. Yeah, he might be. Sam might be fighting a bear out in PA or something. What up, Dominic? What's good, bro? What up, Bruno? Bruno in the house. Resistance at 1952.872. 1952.872. 872. This one? 872. We're at. This? I'm not sure what resistance you guys are referring to at 872.
On what?
On gold? Oh, more back? Yeah, I'm not going to focus too much on all the way back here today. We've got current price action. Are you guys referring to this one here? $30-minute all the way to the left. Yeah, I think you guys are referring to this one. Yeah, 152.87. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I see it. We'll keep an eye on that one. Let's see what that looks like over here. All right, cool. We'll keep an eye on it, boys. Thank you. We'll see what happens here. What's up, Nick? Hey, what up? Level up. Love your patience. I like the way you spell patience. That's one word I always struggle to spell. How about you guys? I don't know if I'm spelling the patience, like chill out and take some time, or if it's like the patience, like, yeah, I got another patient. Yeah, I got another patient. Yeah, another patient here, another patient there. Man, that one messes me up all the time. Max out the credit. Max it out. That one gets me? Yeah, man. That one gets me. Zimbabwe boy in the building. Hey, what up, Zimbabwe boy? Boy.
Zimbabwe. Yeah, TK, come on, man. That's fun. Hey, Muhammad, you're one trade away from passing your challenge. Let's go. Let that come naturally to you, brother. Do what you've been doing, right? That's been growing your account. Don't force anything, right? Because you have a good opportunity right now to pass. So just do what you've been doing and let that come naturally. It's how you grow accounts.
Yeah, so we do have news coming out here in about 20 minutes. 20 minutes away. Unemployment claims. Not looking to move the needle much. We'll see what happens. Can we enter buy now? Yeah, I mean, you could do whatever you like. If you believe price will move up from here and not come back down, or if you believe in this move, then I don't see why not. But I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna wait. Want to see the 15 close. Let's see. Mr. Powell speaking today. Yes. Powell speaking today at noon Eastern time, so right around lunchtime in the US or on the East Coast. So yeah, we got that going on today as well. But we do have news all throughout the yeah, we've got news all throughout the session here today. Love from Colombia. Hey, Santiago. Appreciate you coming by. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream today, give the stream a like. Friendly reminder to hit the like button. Go ahead, hit the thumbs up button. Yes, you, my friend. No, not the other guy. I'm talking to you. Talking to you. If you guys could please hit the like button, that'd be awesome. Y'all left us with 700 likes yesterday. Damn, son. Couldn't even get 1,000? Sheesh.
Are you for real? Might have been the first time this year.
Even the Quakers give us love. Hey, Nick, cheers for the stream. Question, hey, what's up? Question, which company are you doing the challenge with? I'm with the Funded Trader. That's the one I'm using. Got you, Johnny. Gotcha, gotcha. Yeah, unemployment claims is coming out, yes. See, this is why I did not want to take that buy. We should get a better bottom wick here. Unfortunately, we do have news, heavy news in the way here, so. Back down we go, right? No bottom wick. Very high chance we come down and make a bottom wick. There's only certain times where this will usually work out. Love from Ethiopia. Me and John are going to Ethiopia. I'm going to send John to Ethiopia.
Send me, bro.
Word, you know. Love from Kenya. Yo, the love in Africa is real, man. Y'all, yo, I can't wait to go to Africa, man. The people over there just seem incredible. Yeah, I really appreciate it. There's so much support, man, from Africa. So thank you guys. Yeah, 1 hour is... Oh, let's take a look at pound yen here. Oh, look at this. See? No closure. That's why I didn't want to take that off the 15-minute. Right? A lot of people... Anybody got into sells here? It's not a problem if you did. Just now you can understand why the 30-minute time frame holds much more weight than the 15, right? Because remember the 15 closed bearish, right? We could have had sell stops on the break of these lows, and we would have got activated but pumped back up, and I'm sure it stopped out here. So if as long as you wait on the 30-minute, sometimes you will save yourself. Now when there's high volume, sometimes you do have to chat with these lower time frames, but right now right here there was really no point, especially 7:45 or whatever it was, 7:30. Just wait for NY open at that point. Yeah, or wait for a 30 close bearish. But both gold and pound yen moving up here, so someone's telling lies. Someone's telling lies. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, now gold's moving down.
Well, I got trust issues.
You got trust issues.
We got trust issues out here, chat.
Yeah, there we go. All right, that's our new resistance. TFT Africa meetup. Yo, I'm down. I have a friend who lives in Africa. Johannesburg, maybe? I think it is. Am I saying that right? Hey, Morocco in the house. What up, Steven?
Bro, honestly, what would be sick? A meetup in every location. Every country meetup. Or the top ones.
Yeah, we're actually gonna be doing a meetup in Tampa. So you're gonna see on the new podcast I was featured on. I don't want to spill it well, actually, most of you guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you probably know. But the new pod I'm on is another local trader, very, very highly respected trader here in Tampa. So we're going to do some sort of a meetup, right? Even if it's just like a 20, 25 person dinner at a really nice restaurant, we're going to plan something probably in January. That'll be a good time for all you guys to come visit Florida too, right? Heart of the winter.
This is the perfect time to come visit Florida, I think. Right now.
Yeah. Derek Vandy, Derek Vandy. I love Derek, man. Good friend.
Yeah, TK. Those are the cheap flights right there. First week of January.
After Christmas. Fly in Christmas Eve, TK. You're Santa Claus. Yeah, Derek. We'll see if we get Derek on the 24-hour stream too. I think we should be able to get him on there. Hey, what's up, Matt S? Thanks for streaming. Thanks for attending the stream. Thanks for coming by, bro. Oi. Oh.
What up, Sam?
Yeah. We're in sync here. Sam says oi, John says oi, and I say oi at the same darn time. Holy. Oi. What up, Sammy boy? You gonna grace us with your presence up here?
Man.
Oh, AB Mike might be in the house. Let's go.
AB Mike. It's got AB Mike. What's up, Z Gamer?
Z Gamer. Sam was boxing deers, yeah. Sam just got done in a brawl with 4 deers and a bear. He's coming.
Let's go, boy.
He's got dinner now for 2 years. What up, Mini Bike Life? What's good?
Hey, yo, Chad, I saw someone ask about London earlier, and we'll have an update, and I'll have an update for you guys in some time, right? With the date we're gonna start with. I'm still in the process of getting it all ready, so just give me some more time, right? Be patient on me, and once it's here, so.
Once it's here to stay. I'll be popping up on London too.
Hell yeah, you will. Nick will be there.
Not every session, but you know, sometimes.
Be there every session. No, I'm kidding.
Sam gets haircuts.
Better be there.
It is cold in Florida during the winter. It's probably gonna be 60s, 70s maybe. Some days 80s. Today we got a beautiful 82-degree day ahead of us. Nothing but sunshine.
Right now it's 58.
Nothing but sun on the menu here. Looking good.
Yeah, I don't mind the 58 today. Like, this is probably cold for some Florida people, but I love it. I put my windows down and the breeze is amazing.
Well, it's 58 now, but it won't be 58 for long.
No, that's what I said.
It's creeping up. C4. What do we got here?
We are waiting, John. Thank you. Appreciate you. It'll work out that patient muscle.
Oh yeah, Toby. Yeah, so my bad. Just seen your. Yeah, that's why I wanted to wait. You know, at least wait for the 15 close. 15 close back in the range. You do have 820 here though, so price. You should see some volume dump in about 40 seconds. May go up, right? We may create support, but at this point, we have 10 minutes until the news here. So unfortunately, the news is in our way. But yeah, we'll see what happens with this new 15 closure. Remember, you guys remember how I usually explain that 8 a.m. to 8:15 candle? It could be a little bit of a cowboy. So that's why if things don't fit up really well, like that no bottom wick type stuff, then it's always best to just wait for 8:15. Now the only thing is when news gets in the way, you know, now you basically got to wait till 8:30. But yeah, you should see a nice push here, up or down, in the next like couple seconds here. So let's see what happens with this candle. Commodity exchange open. We may run up here. Yeah, there you go. I used to live in Clearwater. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's nice in Clearwater. No audio cut out? What do you mean?
Someone asked if I called Florida people flirts, and I was like, no, my audio just cut out probably.
Oh. That's funny. Yeah, you may see some volume dump in now over the course of the next few minutes here. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, remember, our main goal here is to get a breakout on the 4-hour. So other than that, look, 4-hour candle was all the way up here at one point, all the way up here. So being up here doesn't necessarily mean we will continue up. But if we get this closure above all that resistance, then there's a very high chance that we continue up. So here's that volume that I was speaking of here. You see a little push, not too crazy, but decent push. 5-minute candle. Yeah, about a nice 20 pip push there for comics. Yeah, this whole 5-minute candle will be a volatile candle here. Did we break that high? All right, we did break that high. Awesome. So look, if we can now like do whatever, even if we pump up, if we can close somewhere right around these ranges, then you'll most likely see a continued move up, right? Because you have this move, right? And then you have consolidation, right? So if we end up closing strong bullish now outside of the range, then where do you think price is going to go? Right? Right? Consolidation, boom. Consolidation, boom. Consolidation, boom. Right? Consolidation, run up. So if we get this consolidation and then we close very strong bullish, right? Where's price going? I think we could see 1970 here today. 1971. It's a nice move. Yeah, if you're already in gold, you're chilling, right? Just hang out. Just hold your positions. You got the news coming in here, so that may push us up. I don't know, but we'll see how numbers come out. 1 hour still hasn't closed, so yeah. 4 hours still open. We'll see what happens with the news here. 6 minutes. Can entry now? Of course, you can enter anytime, anytime. The markets are always open. The markets are always open to press that button, right, Green? Doesn't take much to put on a trade. Hey, thanks for reminding me to record. Although I did it today, thanks for the reminder. Maybe you guys can remind me every day.
Gotta write a note for yourself, man.
Put a note there, just record. Mr. Pal's a nightmare for traders. It's for some traders, yep. Depends on the day. He could be your dream, he could be your nightmare. You never know. Oh, we're about to crack 21K subs here on the live streams. Oh, nice. Hey, if you guys aren't subbed, sub to the channel. Give a sub. And if you haven't liked the stream, I would really appreciate it if you like the stream. When you like the stream, what it does is it hooks us up in the YouTube algorithm. And what that does is that allows us to get displayed on other people's YouTube. So when they're sitting there and they're lonely and they're just looking for a trader to trade with, think about that guy or that girl. You can save one lonely trader here today by just one like on the stream. By just donating one like, you can save a lonely trader today. Will you be the difference maker in the world?
Save that man.
Can we at least, let's see, oh, there's 540 likes. Can we get to 600? Can we get to 600 before the news here? Casino questionnaire. Let's do it. Britney Spears is in the house. I mean, you gotta like the stream now. Look, that's how she found us. She was lonely, so lonely. And then boom. You can save a trader today with just one like. Put it in crypto. It's no cost to you, but it's everything to a lonely trader. The trading matrix, yeah, Louis G. The trading matrix. They're looking all over the place for a live streamer. But they just keep getting trading view screenshots. Did we place a trade? Nah, not yet. We're going to wait for news here. And we got news coming out in 2 minutes. Trading View millionaires. Yeah.
Yo, for real, C4.
Yeah, man. Been in buys. Holding strong, you know? Tight stop loss. I know exactly where price is going to reverse every day. I don't know. People ask me how I just get these perfect entries, beautiful stop losses, amazing TPs. I don't know, man. What I do know is I teach everyone about that in my course. So if you guys can just sign up for my course, take a second, fill out your information, debit, credit, last 4 of your social, we're good to go. And you will know how to take sniper entries just like me with tight stop losses.
That's funny.
We do 0 losing.
100% winning strategy.
Yeah. Entry on the 1 second chart. See, I've got this 1 second strategy here that no one knows of. Outside of the multi-millionaires that took my course, you know, they're out hanging on the beach. Let's get some testimonials going here. Hey man, I took Nick's course. 6 days later, I was a millionaire. And now I'm hanging out the beach with my just kidding.
Yeah.
A little bit of fun while we wait for news.
Imagine, man.
You're over here struggling with trading, and they're like, yeah, this is Bert. Bert has just got into trading, and he's been doing this for 2 months, and he just paid attention to the course, and yeah, tell him about it, Bert. Oh yes, very good course. They're doing really well. Yeah, okay, whatever.
Yo, Bert.
Meet my wife, Bertha. Tell him, Bertha.
Bert.
Didn't we pay off all our debts? Yeah, we just got into trading, and we just got so excited, and we took this course, and we're just gonna do it. And you're sitting there, you're ready to freaking jump out the window. Why? Right? The internet, man.
They're lying to you.
It never loses. All right, so news is here. So let's take a look, see what this is looking like here. So 29 pips stops on potential move up here on gold. I really, gang, I really think we should wait for this 4-hour close. All right, we may get a push up here, you know, and if it does, if it drives, it drives. I really think in today's market condition, it's going to be best here to wait for this 4-hour closure. Yeah, it's only 28 minutes away, right? We've waited this long. Again, there may be a move here, right? But the real deciding factor in terms of direction is going to be given to us at this 4-hour close. So I really think today's best to wait for that. Yeah, if this is your move though, go ahead and take it. Spreads should be calming down at this point, but yeah, that's about a 19 pip wick fill there, so not too bad. Bert and Bertha. You guys want to see me trade the 5-minute chart for one session? All right, cool. Maybe we'll do it.
Yeah. I'm out.
In and out. Trading on the beach. Yeah. You can make millions of dollars right from the beach. You guys ever try looking at your iPhone? You guys ever try looking at your cell phone on the beach? Tell me how these traders taking positions on the beach. I can't even see the screen. I couldn't even see the candle.
Bro.
I tested it.
Man. I couldn't see anything last time I was at the beach.
It's like, bro, we're going in the ocean. What are you bringing your laptop for? Oh, I need a quick Instagram pic. Weirdo.
Yeah, bro. Bro.
Yeah, this 4-hour close is going to be awesome. We're going to take the best trade of our life here today. I could feel it.
Oh.
Oi. Sam, are you ready to grace the stage? The people want you.
Oi. Oh, Sam's here.
Let me get Sam up here.
Yo, Sam, that's looking clean.
Oi. Oi. Asking to unmute.
John, can you tell what I was saying?
Nah. No,
Let's
it's
go.
funny though.
Bald.
Bald.
Look at me, bro.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, damn. He
Hey.
cut it. 2 a.m. haircuts.
Yo,
2
nice,
a.m.
bro.
haircuts.
Gentlemen.
I ain't playing, bro.
He's like,
Gotta
yo,
get
I know
Hey,
that
yo,
that.
gentlemen.
Gotta get that trim through. Had to get the what did she give me? The 2.5 fade on the sides with the hell, I don't remember, bro. Got my shit trim. Feeling
Trim.
fresh.
Little trimmy trim.
Feeling fresh. Yeah.
That's what's up, bro.
How you guys doing this one?
Doing great, man.
Wonderful. That's what I like to hear.
Doing
How about you,
great.
John, where were you yesterday, bro?
Sorry, bro.
John was busy. Busy.
Oh.
Man was busy.
The boy was busy.
I was here. Did you see me?
Nah, I thought I was looking for you in the Zoom at one point. I was like, "Where's John?" I was
in the
probably like
Zoom.
around like
Yep.
8:40. I don't know.
Oh, wow.
I might be stupid.
GJ really pushed up here. Damn. John was here. John was busy, right? So you couldn't jump on Zoom. Well, he was on Zoom, but couldn't talk.
I was on. Yeah.
You get them trades there yesterday? That's the important part.
Oh yeah, of course, bro.
Oh yeah. Are you good?
That was money, man. 100 pip move. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that was a nice one. I haven't had a 100 pipper in a while.
Yeah, man. Well worth it.
It was. Oh, nice. Okay, 30 minute may create resistance here now. So gang, remember, we don't know where that resistance will form. Will it form here? Will it form here? Will it form here? Right? So that's why you always just got to wait for the candle to print in your direction. Because some people, what they'll do is they'll try and call the sells right here. Right? Like they'll try and just call the sell. I'll take a sell here. Right? And then, okay, price moves up. Let me add some more here. Right? Okay, it's still moving up. Let me add some more here, which is fine. But for me, I'd rather wait for an actual closure in my direction before, seeing price move down. So, otherwise you're stuck in drawdown, right? You're adding and adding, but you'd be adding for a long time if price continues going up, right? So that's why I never try and call the top. I never try and call the bottoms. I just wait, right? So once you see this bullish candle close, now you don't have to predict. Now you know price will move up here, right? But at any point when you're going against that daily bias, price can reverse at any point, right, in these levels here. So depending on your strategy, for me, I always want to see a candle close in the direction that I want to take a trade in. So nothing has closed yet. So we're waiting here, right? Will we respect the high and move back down, or are we going to continue pumping up here? So I believe this is the daily high is it this one? I think it might be this one. Yeah, daily highs are up here. So as long as we respect that, we can create resistance really at any point.
Just gotta wait on it.
Just wait on it.
Oi, what up, Magnifico? Yo, who we got here today?
Magnifico.
Let me see some names in the chat.
Who's in the chat?
Chat.
I see YOLO. I see Hero of the Day. I see Sergio. Classic Sandman. Yanosh, Big Folk Red, Louis G, Jamie,
Ooh.
Force Frank, Lil Kid, Ellington Lopes, Grid, Oh wow. Oh,
It's not as easy as it looks, right?
And that got hard quick. Yo, y'all are beasts.
Chat, you move too quick.
Got me
Can't see y'all.
clicking, bro. W's. Concepcion. Candle Slanger. Oh, we got Britney Spears here. What up, Britney?
Britney Spears, you okay?
Yeah, don't she got a song that's like, give me more, give me more. I want more pips.
You should make that new song, change it into "Give Me More Pips."
Yeah. You got us with that one, Brit. Wasabi. That's a name I recognize. What up, homie?
Baking and quaking.
What up, hater?
You over risk.
C4.
When you over risk, you're shaking and quaking.
True. Yeah, did you know that, guys? 9 times out of 10, if you're in a trade and you're quaking, it's because you got too much risk on the table. Right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. You know what else you can do if you're quaking? Yo, I learned this like 2 weeks ago. Crazy that it works. If you grab your thumb like this and squeeze it as hard as you can, and you try to feel your pulse from your heart through your thumb, it'll literally lower your anxiety to nothing. You gotta like really focus on doing it though, but it's sick. And also,
Appreciate that tip.
yeah, also, anxiety and gratefulness are both in this. They're like that feeling is created within the same part of the brain. So you can't be grateful and anxious at the same time. It's one or the other. So if you are anxious or quaking, you know, just think about all the things that you do have in life that you're grateful for. You know what I mean?
Nah, facts, bro. You can't think both positively and negatively at the same time. You actually have to choose which one. Like, being positive is a choice, right? You're not born to just be positive. You have to actually pick to be positive, right? You have to force yourself to be positive in certain situations. That's a great point, Sam.
Yeah.
Not for real, because people think like positivity will just come out of nowhere, like, but until they choose to be positive, choose to look at the positives in their life, and then they'll start to become positive, right? They'll start to build on that.
Yeah, that's so true. Like a lot of the people that, like for example, like wake up, say prayer, you know, that they're looking forward to all, they, you know, they're addressing all the great things that they have in their life at the beginning of the day. So, you know, it's hard to start off on a wrong foot whenever you are expressing for all the things you're grateful for.
That's
And,
so true. That's facts.
Gets rid of the anxiety as well.
Facts.
Who's teaching Sam all this? I do a little bit of learning.
Yeah, no, I love that. It's all biblical too, right? Faith or fear. Which one are you going to entertain?
Yeah, that's so true.
Which
I
one
have
will
a
you
shirt Nick
entertain?
gave me. Right?
Yeah.
Faith over fear every day, all day, forever. Come on. You gotta live, you gotta wake up and remember that. Live with that mentality, faith over fear.
What would be the best lot size for a 10K challenge? Probably 1 lots.
And chat, really understand the difference between a successful person and an unsuccessful person is when problems and trial and error comes, they know how to deal with it. Right? That's the difference between being successful and not, is you can deal with your problems. You know how to get through them in a positive way, right? And get that positive outcome. So keep that in mind, because we're all going through trial and error, right? Every day, right? There's going to be some trial and error at some point in everyone's life. And the ones who can deal with it will get through it.
Yeah.
So whatever you're going through right now, just learn how to deal with it.
Remember what the word says too, right? Trials are to test our quality, right? Trials and tribulations are to test us, to test our quality, to make us stronger, to make sure our armor is tough enough, right? So never back down or shy away from any adversity, right? Because, you know, we also understand that every adversity comes with it the seed of an equal or a greater benefit to you. So never back down, never shy away from failure or any of that stuff.
Yeah, that's so true. Because you got to go through those adversities to become great. You know, the people that go through those adversities, they learn from it, they take the beating, and they grow from it. And I mean, if it was that easy, then, you know, everyone would be great. But then is it really great if everybody's great? Because now that's the average. I think we were talking about that yesterday a little bit, but yeah, I love that. I agree.
When did I start reading the word? 2013. 2013.
Yeah, and if you do have a problem, right? If you have a habit with just negative thinking, like you just can't stop thinking negatively, right? This exercise you have to do, it is replace the negative thought immediately with a positive thought, right? Because once you set up, once one of these thoughts come up, now a whole chain of them, right, come out. So immediately replace a negative thought with a positive thought if you were struggling with negative thinking, right? I used to struggle with it, and I've done this. I've tried it for myself in my life, and it works. So keep it in mind. It's just like in the charts, right, Nick and Sam? Like, oh my God, I really am getting FOMO right now, but all right, replace it with the logic, right? Replace your emotion with the logic thought, meaning, all right, my plan here, my rule-based system is saying we need a bottom wick here. I don't have FOMO until I get what I planned logically out to happen. It works the same way.
Yeah, that's so true. I feel like eventually you'll learn to understand yourself. I feel like trading has taught me so much about myself, and it made me understand myself so much as a person, because it makes me logically think through and ask myself why I'm feeling the things that I do. But what up, Vant Trading?
Oh yeah, Forex Frank, bro. We'll be praying for you. What's your wife's name, if you don't mind me asking? Yeah, that's tough, man.
Trading, what up?
Vance in the house. What up, Vant Trading? How you doing, brother? Good to see you here.
Strength, man. Got you, brother. God bless you, man.
Susan.
Praying
right.
for.
Got you, man.
Yep. Prayers for Susan.
Hey, chat, power and prayer. So if y'all can pray for Susan, Forex Frank's wife, and that the Lord will comfort her, right? The Lord says I will comfort the brokenhearted, right? So we pray that that the Lord will comfort her, man, and help her out in her time of need. Been a devastating blow, I bet. I really bet, man.
Yeah, trust in the Lord's process. So have faith.
Even GJ might close above. Maybe. 4-hour candle may create support here. We'll see. We never broke the 4-hour highs just yet. Amen. Power and prayer, man. Power. Have you always been so fluid explaining things? Am I fluid? Thank you, bro. I don't know if I'm fluid or not, but if so, what helped you? To be honest, I did a lot of personal development, man, early and in my mid 20s. Now I'm in my early 30s. And, I've spoken on stages and stuff all across the country. So I think a lot of that has helped out. And, it got me to where I'm at today. But I love this, man. I love these topics that we talk about because these were the topics that impacted me. When I was a young, 21, 22, 23-year-old man, I was confused about a lot of these things. And these are things that opened my eyes up and really put belief in me and, got me to where I am today. So I just love talking about stuff like this because it's what really makes the difference. Yes, I can give you a 50 pip trade, right? But you know what's better? Impacting your life, because this 50 pips is here today, could be gone tomorrow. But some of the wisdom and some of the thoughts that I've learned from my mentors that I can potentially instill into you guys, that is the difference maker, right? That is the reason that the stream has grown so big, because it's bigger than what we're doing. It's bigger than what meets the eye, right? The coolest messages I get are the messages that come in. Yeah, I passed my challenge. Yeah, I love those messages. But man, when I hear guys say, look, dude, I heard what you said, man. I've been complimenting my wife. Hey, man, it's the first time we've held hands in the last 6 months, bro. I just want to let you know the streams are making a difference. Or, man, I've been spending more time with my kids, or I've been, working out and treating my body healthier, or whatever it is, right? Just, I'm getting closer to, in my spiritual life. I'm getting more into prayer, right? Like, it's making a difference in how I think. So those are the big rewarding questions. Of course, I love the Forex stuff too. But man, the reason why I'm here is to impact lives. And we're just doing that, right? God's using the Forex industry or platform to make that happen.
Yeah, that's so true.
And baby.
Not by my might nor by my power, but by the Spirit I go.
Amen, baby.
Yeah, amen. And sometimes those conversations that we have are ones that need to be had, but it's just like, some of you might not have the people to have those conversations with you.
Yeah.
Some of them are hard conversations, but yeah, it's like a community to uplift everyone.
Yeah.
We're all focused on the same sort of goal, or very similar.
Yeah. And if I don't tell you this, who will? Right?
Exactly.
So we're called to be a city on a hill, right? What does a city on a hill represent to a lonely, struggling traveler? Hope, right? Hope. Man, maybe they got some food. Man, maybe there's some heat in some of those rooms over there, right? That's what we're called to be, and that's just what I'm doing here, right? Just city on a hill.
I love that. I never heard that.
Yes.
City on the hill.
Mm-hmm. Because, money seems so real, doesn't it? Right? You can see it, you can count it, you can buy things with it. And eternity, man, eternity seems so vague, right? So far away, so distant, right? But I encourage you guys to chase righteousness, not money, because you want something that's going to last, right? And your money, you're not going to be able to take it with you, right? You're not going to be able to yeah, you can pass it down to your kids, but your best investment is going to be into heavenly things, into eternally things, right? That's what's going to store up treasures for you. So yeah, seek righteousness, my friends, not money all the time. Yeah, I'm going to be doing another sermon as well, gang, on money and wealth and riches, and a lot about what Proverbs says, and more so the dangers of money and the upside of having some money. So I'm going to prepare that sermon. I've done I've done it twice. I'm going to prepare another one, and we're going to do that on the Monday night calls.
Brother, didn't we recorded that one too, right?
We may have.
First one?
Yeah, we may have. We're going to do part 2, baby.
Facts. We got to post both of them.
Yeah. All right, so 4-hour candle coming to a close here, my friends. Looking good. Looking like we're going to close very strong bullish. Support has been pretty much formed at this point. And now this wick is in in the GPS, right, this wick, and then I think we could see potentially 1970 here today. All right, climb back up to retest that resistance up there, and who knows, right? Maybe even 1977, 1976 here. Give me see 1976, 1977, 77, 76. Our Monday night call is open to everyone, everybody. Yes, everyone. Y'all are all more than welcome.
Yeah, let's see. Goldie can move here. That 4 hours got clean traffic.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Clean traffic coming up here, gang. How old am I? I'm 33 years old. 33 years young. Yeah. How do you draw candles on TradingView? I don't know. I'm not too sure.
Versus spell, baby.
Not too sure.
Use the rectangle feature.
Oh yeah, use the rectangle. There you go. Yeah, I don't draw it on TradingView. I draw these on Zoom. If you're referring to these candles, then right, these are drawn. These are a tool that Zoom has. So that's what I'm using to do that. Oh damn, GJ really pumping up here, man. Broke the 4-hour high there. We're gonna get a top wick on that daily candle or what? Thank you guys. More than trading knowledge. Yes. Yeah. More than it's deeper than trading. Much deeper. Yeah, man. We sell out too much. We sell out to a dollar bill. Yeah, man. Money is money's an incredible servant, but a terrible, terrible master, man. And for most people, money is the master, unfortunately. And, you know, until we hustle up and figure it all out and carefully pray. And I think the biggest thing that got me to where I am today is I was consistent in my prayer life. You know, I took my prayer life serious. You're going to need it. You're going to need it. Yeah. But hey, what, you know, Jesus said, what does it gain a man, right? To gain the world but lose his soul. What does it cost him to gain the world but lose his soul? So, you know, money's a terrible master but an incredible servant. It's hard to think the stream is free. All right, gang, $2 a day every day moving forward to join the live stream. No, just kidding.
Bro.
Unless we get Quakers, I don't know. The Quakers got to pay.
$10 a month, chat.
Yeah, there you go. The sports beats. Yep. Yeah, I love that 11th hour. Beautiful, man. When do we buy 4-hour close? Oh, we need the 4-hour to close. So in order to do that, we need to wait 2 minutes, 32 seconds. Looks like we're going to close above this level here, which I think was the 30-minute range, right? Let me just double check here. Yeah, what did we have this line on? Was that 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour resistance there. So yeah, looking good. Looking good. Should I sell? As long as you have a plan. As long as you have a plan, my friend.
Is this the wisest stream? Nah, you gotta go back. Rewind it. Rewind it to when everyone has many viewers and as many people in the chat.
Oh, yeah.
Because we had no choice but to just sit there and bounce them ideas off each other.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, some of you guys got to go back to our early streams when Johnny Boy was still in high school back in February, March, April, and May. You got to check out some of those streams, man. Good times.
Pure gold.
Oh, come
Back
on.
when chat wasn't moving and we were forced to just talk.
We had no chat back then.
Yeah,
We were the
exactly.
chat.
We were yeah, we were the chat. It's been a good journey, man. We've had a lot of people really improving their trading, improving their lives. Just incredible success stories, testimonials like you wouldn't believe. And it's all praise to God, man. You know, I can't do this stuff on my own. I'm not that good. I'm not that guy. Not that guy. All right, 4 hour. Here comes the closure. Looks good. I did. Oh yeah, some of you guys went back and watched the early streams. Oh, what's gonna happen here on the 1 hour? Yeah, how nice would it be to get like a 30-minute salary play or something?
Yeah, amazing.
So new 4 hour candle coming, right? So what are we expecting here? We are expecting a bottom wick. How deep will it go? That, my friends, is the question, right? So the 1 hour closed right above this resistance. So this previous resistance may get tapped, and that may be the bottom wick. Now, I personally want to wait and see something steeper, something like, you know, we're seeing here, and potentially get a close, like let's say the 15-minute does something like this, right? This is the ideal move of the day here. So 15-minute, let's say it closes just like you see it, just like that. And then we get a bullish candle to close back in the range. We will take our buys off of this bullish candle. What's this? And to anticipate the 4 hour candle to move back up, right? This being the 4 hour bottom wick. Stops will hang out right below there. Support will be formed. Our entry will be here. And that'll be a fake out onion back into the range after support is formed, after getting 4 hour bottom wick. And then we ride that clean traffic up that you guys right here, all the way up at that point. So that's going to be the ideal move. Let this candle do whatever it needs to do. If we can close below on the 15, that'd be fantastic. And then pop back up, get a bullish closure. We'll be in the buys here at 9:15, or actually that would be 9:30. So perfect. What do we know about 9:30, gang? Volume. Right? Yesterday's position, there was one word: volume. Right? One word for yesterday's move and deciding to take that position, and that was that we have volume coming in. So 9:30 is going to be the big push here today, I'm assuming. And we'll see if we can get a fake out on the 15-minute. That I think looks good. 9:30 full margin, baby. Is Vant still here? Vant, let me see. This hit, where was it? 46. Yeah, I think this was the, I don't know. Is Vant here still? Are you here, Vant? I don't want to give people the gems if you're not even here. How many of y'all went full margin yesterday on gold buys?
No, I'm kidding.
I did. Juicers. Yeah, the juice boxes were all over yesterday. I was gonna wear this shirt today. Hold on. TTE juice box, baby.
Oh,
TTE juice. No hoodie. No, man. You guys demanded me to wear the day trader shirt. It's like back in the day, man. When I was I played baseball. I threw 2 no-hitters. I was very superstitious. And man, I'd wear the same jersey every game, same socks. Don't even wash them. Won't shave the beard. Nothing. Just until we lose. That's the uniform. What happened with pound yen? Did we close bull? Yeah, we closed bullish. We opened up here. No bottom wick on the 4 hour. So yeah, nothing there yet. Shiro's gonna make up all the shirts. Lovely, lovely. Lovely. Appreciate you, Alex. Glad you enjoyed it, bro. Don't wash the shirt. Hey bro, how large does a retracement wick need to be for you to in order to take a trade? So there's really not any one size fits all answer to that. These wicks are going to come down. Typically what I would like to see is, if you notice, there's a bunch of wicks here, right? So this isn't bad. So what I want to do to add some extra confirmation to this trade though is watch how the 15 closes, right? And if the 15 closes, let's say below, and then we can get another 15 to close above, or even if it doesn't close below, but then we can get a 15 to close bullish. Well, that's a support being formed. And if that support is being formed on the 15, then what that does is that gives us pretty high confirmation that this is going to be the bottom wick for the 4 hour. So price shouldn't come back down and break that low, right? If we have that support there. So once that support is established, now we have an opportunity to say, okay, this is probably the 4 hour low. Support's being formed. This candle should make its way up, flip bullish, fill the wick, and possibly even come up, you know, and fill the other wick there. So yeah, sometimes you're just waiting for the wick to come down into a certain area of wick rejections. Other times you may be, especially on a 4 hour candle, you may want to see some 15-minute market structure form and get some sort of like support going. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Biden went to Israel. Yeah, I heard. Got you, bro. Yeah, a lot of it's going to come from experience too, Lucas. So you'll start to experience different times where like maybe price won't give you any bottom wick when there's a lot of volume, or if there's a session open. So there's just, yeah, experience is going to really help you. A lot of things that you guys hear on stream, and I tell some of the other guys that I work with too, this is that you'll hear me say it on stream and you'll learn it. It'll enter your brain, but throughout the next week or the next couple weeks, the aha moments will begin to pop up. You go, oh man, yeah, that's what he talked about that day. Or, oh yeah, I remember they were talking about this, and look, I see it here now. So yeah, don't worry about trying to get it all in one session. As you continue to show up day in and day out, repetition, hearing these things, seeing these things, that's what's going to make you a better trader. And then, hey, you may start to see some things that I don't see, right? And that's how you start to individualize yourself as a trader. Eh? What? In an ideal world, where would my first TP be? Well, we've got to look at market structure here. So let's take a look at the structure. Now, if we're basing this trade, let's say off the 1 hour, well, you've got a resistance here, right? So you got a wick fill. So I don't know what that is, but this will be my take profit one. So that's 23 pips. And then you can leave runners, right? So typically what I'll do, and you guys know, I'll have TP1, I'll have TP2, and then I'll have an overall target, right? So that's usually how I plan my trades out. But yeah, the first target would be the wick fill. If we break through there, 1962 is going to probably be the next destination, and then if we continue moving up, clean traffic on the 4-hour, you may see 1971 here today. So yeah, just gotta look left and kind of pinpoint, right? It's funny how that wick lines up with that resistance. Therefore, if we do move up, that's probably where I'm going to be closing partials. $30-minute celery would be awesome here if we can get it. Yeah, if we can have this candle actually come up and flip bullish briefly, very briefly, and leave us a little wick or something like this, right, and close above this range here, then 100% we're in on the next candle, right? Once this next candle breaks the highs, that's going to be our opportunity to enter in, break of the highs, wick to fill, and then potentially they'll continue to move back up, right? 9:30, lots of volume coming in. That may be what we see here today. So that's going to be the best position if we could find something like that. Awesome. Good stuff, Lucas. Great work, man. Great, great, great. All right, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some water. We'll see how this 15 closes in 4 minutes, and then we'll maybe have another read on direction here. But pretty bullish as of right now. Let's see how the 15 closes. 30-minute celery would be best at 9:30, but we'll see what happens. Just give me like 1 minute.
1 minute, Nick, huh? What time you? The candle better be listening.
Yeah, no counting.
Oh, yo, Nick, I know you hear this. Yonosha's tracking you or timing you.
He's got a countdown going in the chat.
Shouldn't it be above a bit? What are you talking about? Idea. Talking about the resistance line. Hey, it's Nick's charts. You can do it every once. Sam, though, yesterday's trade was like another just great example of quality over quantity, right? Like we waited, like we had the week before, we had what, maybe like one trade in the week, but patiently waiting for that A plus setup is gonna get you that A plus move, right? The 100 pip move. Yeah, we secured profits at 30 pips, yeah, but right, we anticipated that to happen, right? We patiently waited for that move. We never stressed about not trading on some days. We trusted our system and waited for it to play out. So it was a great example for people to see.
Yeah, yesterday was a great trade. Like, for example, yesterday, all in all, I think I closed everything, like it would have added up to like 25 pips total.
Beautiful.
But how often does the trades run 100 pips, you know? So it's like, I'm cool with my piece of the market. But yeah, just like you said, like, yeah, I don't know. I feel like yesterday was such a textbook. You know, it was an easy day. But at the same time, it's like, That's just what it is, bro. We played around. Both of those setups happened around times volume. 8:20, where you have the commodity exchange open. That was the first trade. 8:15, 8:20 is when that happened. I think we did get activated with the COMEX volume too at like 8:20. But
Yeah, I believe
and then
so.
after that, same thing with NYSE at 9:30. Same thing. Just waiting for the setups to appear around times of volume.
Yeah.
It's about as simple as it gets. But yeah,
Money,
yesterday was
blow to
amazing.
kiss.
Yeah.
Nah,
Yeah.
seriously, man.
I think that was over here, right? 9:30. Yeah, this was the move we took yesterday, right here. So rocket ship, right? Biggest.
Sir.
What's crazy is price came all the way back down and then moved back up another 100 pips.
Yeah, I'm
Crazy.
wondering if it isn't because like this candle didn't have bottom wick. Oh. This one.
Oh
So it
yeah,
pulled back
possibly.
to wick into it.
Oh,
I don't know.
oh, oh man, we're moving downtown. 4-hour bottom wick. Don't tell me we just moved back into the range. Let's see how the 15 closes with no bottom wick potentially, and that'll be good. 15 seconds. I like that. Got a trade? Yep.
Yeah, I like that too. No, just read.
What's up, got a trade? Great point.
Yeah, no bottom wick. Perfect. Perfect. So yeah, if we do get closures back up bullish, we need a 15-minute candle to print in our direction here. So this 9:15 candle will close at 9:30, and then we will look to revisit this buy here. So remember, 9:30 is when there's going to be volume, and this is perfect, right? We close with no bottom wick here, so lovely. And yeah, we could have taken buys many times yesterday, right? But they didn't fit our plan, right? So we held off, we waited, and we just waited for our opportunity, right? And that's what discipline is all about. Is you can know price is going to move, but if it's not going to line up with the plan that works for you best consistently, then there's no opportunities for you just yet. You know, don't consider yourself like, oh, I missed a move, I'm not a good trader. No, you have to wait for your edge. Without your edge, there is no trade. It doesn't matter if there's volume or prices going exactly where you thought it would be. If you don't have your entry in your setup, I mean, what are you gonna do?
Yeah, that's a great point. And like
Big?
not only that, but like we waited for the A+ setups. You know, like Nick just said, we could have been in buys on like, you know, a couple of those candles. But the candles that we traded on, look at where you've seen the biggest moves, where the candles were the biggest. Just playing around like the volume, waiting for the A+ setups and the volume together. Money, dinero.
Equals money. 9:30
Hey,
volume.
Chad, to earn money, right? Chad, to earn money, you gotta do a service, right? So our service is following our plan, following our system, right? We come to the charts, we detach from money, we don't focus on money. The only focus we have is to follow our system, and the money is a byproduct to that, right?
Amen. True.
Keep it that simple.
Yep. Excuse me. Oh, look. Oh, yeah, 30-minute onion. Yeah, that's right. 1 hour never closed above. Yeah, that's why we never enter. So some of you guys are like, hey, why not just enter here on the 4-hour open, right? If you know the 4 hour is going to go up. Well, we don't know how far it's going to go down first, right? So we want to see something like this, a candle move down, maybe close with no bottom wick, because what do we know about candles that close with no bottom wick, right? There's really not much range for the next candle to drive. So if the 15 is closing with no bottom wick, wouldn't that make sense that if the next candles are less likely to drive down, they'll most likely drive up, and then that establishes the bottom wick there on the 4 hour for price to continue up, flip bullish, and continue on moving. So that's what you have to, even though it looks good on the lower time frame, it's heavily about timing trading, right? And making sure that you're in and you're out at the right time. So I really like this, right? We're respecting the 30-minute lows. We close with no bottom wick. 1 hour as well, respecting the lows. 4 hour close bullish, 1 hour close bullish, 30 close bullish. It looks great. It looks great. Now we just need some sort of a confirmation either on this 15-minute time frame or a closure back above the range on the 30-minute. Yeah. Oh, someone's rapping here. We got lady rappers here.
What's that?
You ready? You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out to Shiro. Hey, W's for Shiro. He really does do a phenomenal job maintaining, keeping up with the Discord, keeping the vibe right. That Shiro's everywhere.
He's that guy.
Go.
He's that guy.
Chucking
Facts.
knives at the haters, man. That dude don't play. Shiro on level 1,000 at this point. Appreciate you, Shiro. Thank you, bro. Always helping out, man. Always helping out. You don't get it. You don't get the recognition that you deserve. Z Gamer, all the mods, Green, Z Gamer, Classic, all you guys, man. TK, everybody, man. Everybody. Appreciate y'all, man.
All the mods. Let's go.
Antonio.
Shout out YOLO too.
Yeah, shout out YOLO Trader, man.
I always see him in the Discord helping out.
Always. Got to trade. Appreciate you too, man. All y'all. Appreciate all y'all. Can't be naming
There's a
too
lot
many
of names here. Yeah, it's hard to name names, bro. We can't.
Facts. Hey, what's up, Sandman? Shout out, Sandman. See
Shout
Sam.
out Sandman, yeah. Sunboy90 comedy laughing emojis. Yo, I see your name.
Yeah, we
See.
can't name names because there's just so many, and you don't want to. I don't want to leave anybody out, so I veer away from names too much. But shout out to you guys, man.
Yeah.
All the mods holding it down. Some future mods here holding it down as well. Appreciate y'all. Sandman 4G. Z Gamer's a beast too. Z Gamer.
Is he gamer?
Yeah, we could see you got your guys or excuse me, y'all's activity too on the chat. So we know who's the most active, and yeah, man. So y'all, appreciate you guys, man. Always keeping the vibes up. Hero of the day always coming in with his working from this place, working from that place. Oh man, too funny. Micah, we're gonna see the return of Micah pretty soon.
Soon.
I think so. Oh, we got a $2 dono. Jans, appreciate you, bro. You didn't have to do that, my man, but thank you. Appreciate that. Oh, Green's name's on that. Oh, we gotta send that $2 to Green.
Send that to Green.
Green,
Yeah.
I'll send that over to you, bro. W. Appreciate you, gents. Where are all these donations going, huh? Yo, that's a good question, honestly. Anyone know how to help me get the donations out of YouTube?
I have no idea. Is that how you
Hey,
pronounce it?
you guys don't have
Let's
the
see you.
Jan. Is it Jan? Is it Jans or Jans? Is it
He typed it.
one or two? Jans or Jans?
Ja dash
Ja
Nets.
or
So,
Jan?
Yanez.
Ja or Jan?
Could be whatever you want it to be.
Is it Yanez? Yanez?
Tomato.
None. Oh.
It's none.
The J silent, isn't it?
Yans. It's Ans.
Janez.
You're monetized right now,
Yeah.
getting ads on the stream.
Do it.
Yeah, unfortunately, we like to party at the end of the stream a little
Yeah,
bit
nice.
and worship. So I play all music that just gets us destroyed on YouTube. So we get in trouble basically every day here on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube doesn't like what I do. So they're holding
They're
out on
like,
us. Yeah, we get in trouble every day on YouTube. Copyrights every day. Oh, nice. Look at this moving up here. All right.
YouTube quaking.
Looks good here. Yeah, this looks really good. Couple more minutes here. So if we can get this candle to close above, I actually wouldn't mind if this candle flipped bullish really quick and came down, closed bearish, you know, above the resistance here. I think that'll be nice too. Big donations. Hey, if you guys plan on donating to me, please don't. I want you guys to donate to your local homeless, or maybe a friend in need, or some random dude on the street. $2, $5 goes a long way for those guys. So if you guys are planning on donating to the stream, I appreciate it, but just take the donation and hand it out to somebody else who needs it a little bit more. All right, or I'll donate it. Yeah, there you go. Or Justin L's in need badly. Maybe donate to him. Take it easy, bro. All right, man. See you later, bro. Thanks for the dono. Pushing. What are we doing? 15? What are we doing? 15? All right, we got 3 minutes. Are we going to break these 30 lows here? Wow. Wow. We really broke the 30 lows here. Interesting. 1 hour lows coming too. Will we respect the 1 hour? Maybe we get a 1 hour celery play here. Interesting. Let's take a look at pound yen here as well. Oh, nice. Wow, gold.
Odie.
Oh. Look at GJ. Yeah, I see that. I see it. Yeah, we want to close below here, because if we close above here, then we're still above this level here. You may continue pushing up. Yeah, but we haven't made that top wick, so we may not want to make it. Let's see if we can get a closure now below this range here. That'd be awesome. Yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, when I get all the I don't know, when I figure out how to get the money out of YouTube, I'll definitely go donate it. Someone like, Hey, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you got some knowledge from the stream today, if you gained some potential wisdom, if you feel good about what you've heard, maybe you've learned something related to something here, give the stream a like and subscribe to the channel for more heat. They can't teach this sauce in a cookbook. Oh,
Or in a school.
sheesh, man.
If your teacher ain't dropping gems, you gotta leave the class. Waste of time.
Send you a like, my boy. Hey, appreciate that. Man, oh man, I was really hoping to take advantage of 9:30 here today, but doesn't look like it. We do have this support being formed. We're in this choppy range here. Yeah.
I think it looks clean on the 1 hour. It just stops, bro.
Yeah, I mean, taking it off to 15 is going to be a bit risky here. So, probably nothing there. Yeah, we may come up and fill the wick here. $10 stops. Let's see if we can come up, make a high, and then come down and break the low. Oh. Yeah, we need a little bit of a high first, I think.
1 hour looks clean.
Yeah, 1 hour looks really good to continue up here, man.
20 pip wick fill.
Oh, there we go. Lows have been broken, and yeah. Let's take a look at pound yen. Oh yeah, disgusting. Yeah, we closed bullish there on GJ. Yeah, nothing here on gold, man. Nothing. Stop.
Yeah, like that 15-minute trade, it makes sense, but it's not worth it.
Yeah, it's not. It's really not.
IMO.
9:30. Yeah, 9:30 is a cheat code
I'm
most
just a
days.
Zoom guy though.
He's the man. Yeah, you're right. Forex Frank's made a good point. Maybe we may wait till noon here, right? We got
Yeah.
Papa Pal coming in because this is all garbage right here. Just trash. Right? This whole nonsense thing going on right here is just not that good, right? A lot of consolidation here. So, yeah. You did have a celery play here, but we weren't going to take that anyway. Oh, Vant Trading's still here. Vant, I hope you got your day trading shirt on today, because today is the day to trade as a day trader. Trading in the day. Right? All my day traders out there, I see y'all. FOMC stream. No, today's not FOMC. Today's Pal's just having a speech. It's not like the one that you're thinking of. Hey, is this the stream where we day trade?
Day trade, baby.
I'm a night trader. We should get some shirts that say night trader. We're night traders.
Dad, I ain't a day trader. I'm a professional risk taker.
I buy and sell candles for a living. I'm a good salesman. I'm here for the day trading stream, bro. Yo. Man. Van, I think that moment will just always be embedded in my brain. All right. No top wick. Can we get the exhaustion wick now as we tapped into that support? Close bullish. Maybe. Maybe. Maybe, maybe. Full margin this thing, bro. Yeah. When my family asks me what I do moving forward, I'm just gonna say I'm in sales. Oh, what do you sell? I just buy and sell candles. It's a profitable business. It's good business.
Has John been stealing Nick's hats? And no, I have not. Nick stole one of mine, actually.
I did.
Oh, good, bro.
You can have it back. You can have it back.
Straight,
We could
bro.
share it.
Spot on.
We'll share it. Since we both don't use shampoo or none, you know, we got nice clean hair. No chemicals or nothing in the hat, so yeah.
Thanks.
The shampoo's making you bald, man.
The shampoo
stream cuts out. Oh,
But
no.
they don't want you to know.
They're gonna crack the
They don't
matrix.
want you to know that you need to use eggs for shampoo.
Stop spending $7.19 on shampoo and go just buy a 60 rack of eggs for $10.
Yep.
You'll be
There you
you
go.
got 60 showers worth of eggs there. Oh, nice. Yeah, look at this here. Wow, deep pack runner. Yeah, this may now just run. Yeah, this may run up here now. I like the hour celery play. I think that's good stuff. I'll never forget that moment. Yeah. Facts. Always makes me laugh. Yeah, your hair will
Man,
get
trading
greasy. It'll get greasy for the first day or two, and then voila. Just stunning, beautiful, luxurious hair. Come on, gang. Come on. Y'all know the vibes.
Man, trading is gonna sound psychotic, but instead of shampoo, you need to use eggs.
Yeah, use the eggs, man, or just water. Just some
That's
good
another
old,
biohack.
some good old poisonous tap water coming from your shower head. Just rub it all in that scalp. Yeah, eggs. Eggs will do it. Yeah, that's the trick. That your hair will get greasy from
Withdraw.
yeah,
Ugh.
shampoo withdrawal. But then I'm telling you, man, patience. Patience pays. 2-3 days later, voila.
No, I'm being
Voila.
dead serious. Yeah.
Yeah, some of the crazy things we say here, we kind of got to make it seem like we're half kidding, half serious, so you guys can kind of play which side of the fence, you know? I'm so confused right now. We actually using eggs? Yeah, man. Crack an egg and get it in there. No, my hair smells
Yeah, you
great.
gotta send them.
Yeah. Yep. Hair don't smell.
Man, I
nothing.
suck it up. Egg is shampoo.
You'd
I'm
be
sure you can
amazed.
find that on.
You'd be amazed.
Oh, you just
You ain't
crack
gotta
the
whisk
egg
it,
and put it
no.
on your hair. Wash
Just
it.
crack that yolk. Get rid of that stupid egg white thing too that everyone thinks is mad healthy. All you need is that yolk, baby. All you need is
Yeah.
that yolk.
You don't need a scramble. Nothing. You crack it on your head and wash it in. Sounds crazy.
Yeah, I'll take egg whites. Egg whites. I'm on a diet. Yeah, this thing might pop
Yeah.
here. We grabbed the pack down here. You got volume coming in. We have another shot at this volume here at the 15 close. with 9:45. So we'll see if we can catch the potential move, or we'll just wait, right? We'll just wait for a 1 hour potential, you know, closure back above the range here, and we'll take positions off of that. But yeah, you see how we broke those lows and came down, and now we're flipping, you know, filling that wick there. So lovely. Pack runner.
Yeah, Van Trade, just experiment. That's it.
There you go. Damn, hairlines and drawdown. Sheesh. Yo, yeah, test it out for a week, bro. Get rid of those egg whites too. Oh, coming up here. Yeah, it'd be awesome if this candle can flip bullish, but not too much. Just a nice little wick here. Like right there is fine. Like we don't have to go any further than that. Go back down now. Back down, back down. Minimum 2 to 3 whole eggs, 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice, which helps reduce the eggs. There you go. Google it. Google it.
Oh. What's going on, bro?
Oh, man.
What'd I come back to?
Yeah, we cracked an egg over here, man.
I was here.
We cracked open a whole egg out here. Yeah, that's the wick I wanted to see. So if we can hold this line now, chat, then I think we are awesome. We're looking great on the 1 hour close here. But we have to hold this line. Yes. The gold whisper. Hold the line though. Don't play with us. Mr. Jandals, no problem, man. No problem whatsoever. Just, yeah, journal it, see where you went wrong, see what happened there. Seems like you already know. And, yeah, just come back and get better. That's all we could do. Trust me, you're not the only one that's blown accounts or funded accounts. Trust me. It's no big deal. Whoa, gold. Whoa. Hold your horses. Oh, damn. 15-minute close above too. Ain't bad.
That's clean on the 4 hour.
It is. It's looking really good here for price to move up. Let's see how this 15 closes here. Are we going to leave a wick or what? We got 3 minutes left.
Man, you break 57, we out. We out to 62.
Bold, what up, Bold? Good to see you here. Still in school, yes sir. You're in the learning phase. Celery does look good. It does look good. We made that wick there. That's the perfect wick. Perfect wick. So my thing is this 15 gonna run, right? Is this gonna run on us here and not be able to get the 1 hour celery? So as a trader, this is a very pivotal moment for you. You need to make a decision now, right? So the decision that I'm gonna make here is if we close above, then I'll look for buys here. But if we close below on the 15, then I'm 100% waiting for the 1 hour candle to close. That's my decision. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. 1 hour celery or nothing.
Or nothing.
But yeah, again, you know, this 15 is gonna be there's gonna be volume, right? Because it's really the second half of 9:30, right? So there may be volume. We'll see. Yes, sir, Toby. Yes, sir. Where's Alexandru? Is he here? We may have our celery. Oh, actually, I promised him 9:30. I promised Alexandru if we had a 9:30 celery play in the daily direction, I would open up 100 lots here, but it's not 9:30 anymore, so maybe next time. He's here. All right, but the promise is, you know, 9:30. We almost had it here.
He heard 100 lots and he was
He
rose
said,
up.
I'm here.
Yeah, that's one.
He's always
Yo,
here.
you know what I think? I think it's hilarious. You ever see like those it's like the meme where it's like, you know, shit got real when the dude's playing a game and he's like this to this. That's me whenever Nick's like, lock it in, chat, lock it in. That's me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. How many of y'all do that too? You guys jump up like that? Let's lock it in. I always love the lock it in feeling.
Makes me think of Brother Joe.
Yeah. Where's Joe? Joey Stu, where you at, bro? Make yourself present.
Joey Stu, where you at?
Yeah, 5 seconds and not going to close above. On to the 1 hour celery play, chat. I don't care. If this thing drives a million pips right now, it's not going to phase me. I got zero FOMO. If you want to take a position here, take it off the 15. I will be waiting, and I want to see this this 1 hour close. Very similar to what it looks like here. So let's see if we can hold the line. If not, again, I've made my decision already. So if this thing pumps, it's not my trade. I'm going to wait for the 1 hour time frame here. If it drives, it drives. There will be volume coming in. There will be some volume for sure. Hold the line, gold. In the meantime, so I don't have to stare at this chart and watch gold fly. No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to go get some more water, and then I'll be right back in a minute.
Talk to him, Donald. Stop moving, Candle. Talk to him.
Don't move a muscle.
Yo, Mr. Jandals. Take it easy, bro. Like, what's GJ doing? Nothing.
GJ's moving bullish, and I want to see him moving bearish.
Yeah, might get a fake out here on this 15, but
Yeah, that would be nice. Like that's what I've been waiting for on pound yen. It's just resistance. Could have got that fake out right where we are right now. I was expecting a fake out
on the 30 or just like any.
On the 30 1 hour. 181.782 is my line where I sells below fake outs for pound yen. We're kind of like breaking out of the range now. We'll see what happens. The 30-minute just drove a no bottleneck, so.
What do you have? What is 182? What is it?
181.782 is the rejection area I'm looking at right now in pound yen.
Ah, okay.
Oh, gold. Stop it. Stop doing this.
Goldie, don't. You have no bottom wick on the 15th.
Yeah, so I remember back in the day I used to stack positions. And one day I stacked, they used to call me the stack king. And man, one day I stacked positions on gold. It was a bearish day, right? And price was moving up like this. I sold it here, and then I sold it here, and then I sold it again here, and here, and here, and man, I blew my account. I remember that day, man. I just kept stacking positions, and this thing just kept running up. Yeah, one of the worst trading days for me.
That's probably like Brexit days.
It looked like gold was just gonna drive down, and I'm like, damn.
I have like an old, I don't remember when it was. It had to have been like 2020 Brexit, but I was like screen recording when Raj was streaming. Dude, it's so funny, bro. I have to send you the clip, but it's like, he's like, I think we need to settle down. I think we need to just wait for candles to close. I think that, and then all you see, it just starts bleeding like crazy, bro, because the Brexit, and some dude in his Zoom's going,
Oh damn, yeah, man, stack king.
Yo,
I was like the stack peasant that day. Trader's domain style.
stack peasant.
Man. That was the last day I was stacking.
Thank God for those days, man.
Good
Learn
times.
not to do it anymore.
Yeah, good times.
Good times.
Gotta love the process.
I will go to the other room and I will be back in 10 minutes. I can't watch this. Hold the line, Goldie. Hold the line. This is where, hey, chat, this is where discipline comes in, right? This is where real discipline comes in. So, you know, yeah, we're joking around, but, you know, this is very tempting, isn't it? So we have to be disciplined here. Have to be disciplined. Without discipline, you make no money. Money make you. This is the moment, gang. Yeah, 15 still has no bottom wick. I would expect us to make some sort of a bottom wick here on the 15.
We're rejecting that area now.
My fault.
57.
Oh, I gave in. My fault. Hey, no, it won't happen tomorrow though. Boom. W. W, little kid. W. I know, Toby. Freaking candle, man. You couldn't just stay right where you were? You had to activate the undisciplined people and stop them out on the 15-minute wick flip? Come on. Now this wick's all the way up here? Come on.
Toby, that's funny.
Yeah. I'm going to make a PB&J. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, who's that? Who said that?
Vant Trading. Shout out to Vant.
Yo, that's my man.
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember how you used to eat them all the time?
Yeah, used to have the PB&Js, the ones that came already made, right? I remember.
That or yeah, that I make some too, but yeah, bro.
Making it yourself is always better.
Vance about to go in there and just whip something up real quick in the kitchen. Beautiful PB&J. Hey, Van, send it to us in the food channel on Discord. We'd like the whole stream. How many people are here right now? What do we got? 1,300 people want to see that PB&J. The Uncrustables.
Uncrustables? Yeah. I've only had them twice. Nah, they're like not even worth it, bro. Like, you gotta keep them in the freezer.
Yeah, where it sounds
that's like, yeah, that shit's corny, bro. I'm not trying to like, just trying to like whip up some bread with
whip it,
peanut butter and jelly, bro. Like, I ain't trying to like bust it out the freezer, let it defrost.
What is that? What is this? My steak? My ground beef?
Like, seriously, it's a freaking sandwich, bro.
For real.
Yeah, exactly. Then you gotta eat like 3 to
feel
healthy.
Well, there's your 15-minute bottom wick, gang. So that's again why we never want to take that position with no bottom wick. Just waiting on the 1 hour here. Yeah,
man,
no,
you
that
can't
is
always
funny.
expect the wick to be filled, right? That's a lot of rejections in that area, so don't expect that the wick to be filled.
If all this is going on and the
Fully,
1 hour
fully.
still closes above, very high probability will continue up here.
Because
If
remember
we-
the 4 hour, right? 4 hour looks clean.
Yep.
So
Yeah, exactly. 4 hour, yep. 4 hour, 1 hour, and daily are still very, very in line to move bullish here today. You gotta eat like 3 of them to feel anything? Yeah. Damn, everyone's getting PB&J now. UFC 294
Everyone who's
press
allergic.
conference? Oh.
anyone who's allergic to like peanut butter is crying right now.
When is that fight? Is that on Saturday night? I think so.
Probably.
Shout
I
out
think
to
that's what's
Alexander.
closer.
Yo, he put the links in for all those fights like a week or 2 ago.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right.
I didn't watch them, but I'm sure someone got used to that.
I'll be watching them this weekend. Nick, you pulling up, bro?
Yeah, we'll
Maybe
be
we'll
there.
do a little parlay.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, I think so. Honestly,
Who's fighting? Islam.
I don't even know.
Yeah. There's a few good ones. I think Usman's fighting on this card, too.
Oh,
Yeah.
Is Usman this week? No, I'm not even sure.
Volk and, what's that one dude's name? He's good fighter, too. Oh, damn, son. 4 minutes. Is it safe to enter now? I wouldn't enter just yet. Oh, Snoozman got a hurt knee. Uh-oh. Yeah, yo, Usman, man, he took a few beatings here recently.
I really like Islam. They did a who was it? The Nelk Boys.
Yeah, he's good.
They went to Russia to like train with him for like a week. Bro, it was so cool watching that. Like they're like diving into the like frozen lakes, this and that, like after like a 5-mile run. And it's like right after that, straight into the gym to spar, like, and that's all they do every day.
All day, every day. That's why they're
Or
the elite.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're incredible at what they do.
They're working right now while we're working.
They're working, baby, working. Man, oh man. The anticipation is real, chat. Stops are going to be the current candle, right? So wherever the current candle low is, that's going to be our stop. So we're not going to be using these stops down here at 1950. We're going to be using the current candle stops. Or maybe we can use some 15 stops. But yeah, I'm expecting, as long as we close above this range here, to see the next candle move up. Right, next 1 hour candle move up. If we close below, we're out of here. Yeah, if we close below, it's gonna range till about probably noon, and then you might see an explosive move. Yeah, or we could use that stop. That's right. Yep, Alexandria. Psych numbers, but 150 got tapped. Oh yeah, I see that 150. Yeah, I was looking at that. Literally like precisely. Oh, go look at my PB&J. Let's check it out. TTE style. Oh, damn.
He even put the slice.
Oh,
Cut it up.
damn. That looks like the freaking
Yeah.
picture on the box right there. Wow.
Nice, yo.
Holy.
Yeah, looks like picture on the box.
Holy.
Enjoy that, man. God bless.
Nice bread. What is that? Potato bread? That looks savage. Everyone know Vant Trading is enjoying that as we speak right now. Right now,
Nice.
just
Enjoy, bro.
biting into that thing.
Dude,
Yeah, my man's-
it's probably already gone, bro. You just like inhaled it.
Word, bro. I feel like I can eat that. I can eat that in like one bite. Especially if you make it in like a bowl.
Yeah, dude, I could. That's what I was literally thinking of when you said that. John taking the peanut butter and jelly, rushing into a ball, and going.
Yo, that's the only way to eat it full.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Yo, that's funny. Crushing it into a ball. That's funny.
That's honestly the only way to eat it if you want to eat the whole thing in one bite.
Really? That was me with fruit roll-ups. You guys remember those back in the day?
Yo,
I'll just take
yeah.
that whole thing. I'm like, all right, next.
Bro, you know what I was thinking of the other day? Those grippets, I think they were called.
Grippets? I don't
It's
think I
like
had those.
they were like
Heard
little
that.
pouches, like I don't know, like this big, but they just had like little, like very very tiny, like little Cheez-Its or like little cookies in that. Bro, whatever
I
happened.
don't think I had those.
I know like similar what you're talking about. No, something similar.
Oh, they're just called grips. I'll put it in the food pics channel.
Yeah, show me in the food picture.
Put it in the food pics. All right, candles are gonna close here. So we did close bearish. We did close above. You got about let's see if we can get a little bit of a bottom wick here, and then we're gonna have buy stops most likely here on the break of probably the highs here. If we break this high, you should go ahead and fill that wick. Or if we can get this to drop down a bit, give us a bottom wick, we may be able to enter off of the 30 highs. But let's see. And stops are going to be 54 pips. Hold on. Yeah, stops would be about 27 pips here. So I'm going to have buy stops on the break of these highs. Stops are going to be kept below the 15. And we'll give this thing a shot here. Oh, man. You know, actually, these resistances are really bothering me here. Yeah, if we look, right, we've got some pretty gnarly resistances here. Yeah, on 30-minute as well.
That's true.
Yeah, it doesn't seem the greatest, to be honest. Yeah.
The only clean time frame it looks like it's on is the 4 hour. Other
Yeah.
than that, there's resistance.
Word. Yeah, it doesn't seem like an A+ setup here, even though it's bullish candle closing below. Yeah, I don't like it, man. I'll be honest. I don't like this. It's not an A+ setup here. Nothing.
Yeah, because it's like 4 hours top wick now too, so it's like it might come back down. I don't know.
This is gonna be my first trade. Oh damn, Vant. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't think this looks the greatest, I'll be honest. Nothing. We may range here. We may just consolidate and range. Barcode 30-minute playbook strategy coming out.
Range, baby. That's it.
Yeah, we have this is what I mean. At 12 we've got Pal sitting down or standing up, I'm sure. And he's going to be speaking. So this may hold up. Right? The big move. We've been waiting on a big move up here on gold since last, Asian session. So it has not happened yet. Right? It has not happened yet. Therefore, it's most likely gonna wait here for some sort of like advantage after the news, right? So it may just kind of just range. So I'm not gonna have buy stops or anything here. Yeah, we'll wait another 4 hours on stream, and no, I'm just kidding. We'll probably be done here, and then I'm gonna look at the charts around noon if I'm home. I think I should be home, and see if we can catch something, you know, at that point. Let's take a look at pound yen here. GJ, nothing just yet either. Yeah, nothing on GJ. I'm gonna have another sandwich. Play with the kids. There you go. All right, brother. We'll talk to you later. All right.
Life.
The life of a trader, man. Have a sandwich, play with the kids, and have a great rest of the day. Looks good.
Simple. I have no kids, so I just go and troll the animals. Yo, I gotta send you guys this video, bro. It's so funny. I can't even say it, Joe.
Send it, yeah.
Good day. Yeah, good day. Good day.
Bro. So I was in Walmart yesterday, bro, and this rat jumps out, bro, and scares the shit out of me. Bro, I field goal kicked that shit into the wall.
Oh, dang. This dude punted the rat at Walmart, bro.
Bro,
Right up against the wall.
Me, it scared me, bro.
Yo, he punted this thing, bro.
My guy punted the rat.
I felt so bad. I grabbed it and I took it outside and I put it in the woods after because he was all right.
That's crazy.
That's too funny.
I gotta send you. Like I felt like such an ass.
Bro, what were you thinking? Like after you kicked it, like and like flew and hit the wall or whatever.
Bro, like I went over to him and I was like, "Is he alright?" He like twitched.
Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. Rat down.
Yo. That's funny.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take this. You know, this may be a move for some of you guys. This is not an A+ position in my book. Not at all, actually. The more I look at this, that doesn't seem fun at all, right? So nothing here, nothing on the 4 hour just yet. 1 hour did close bearish. You're making a move down. I mean, we did close above here, which is on the buyer's side, but I don't like it. I don't like it. A lot of consolidation here. Price should have moved already, right? If price was going to move, it would have moved during 9:30 into 10, and then 10 would have continued the move. So if there's no move happening, that means it's waiting for something else. And that something else may be Papa Pal's words here at noon, right? At 12 p.m. Eastern. So I don't think we're going to get much of a move here. So yeah, man, that's going to be it. That'll be the day. Another great live stream. A lot of gems dropped. If you guys could like the stream on your way out, man, if you got a lot out of this stream, sub to the channel and rewatch the stream. Rewatch the stream because there's a lot of golden nuggets in there. But it's going to be your job to dig them out, sniff them out, and take advantage of them. So that's it. Johnny Boy, Sam Capital.
Nigga Sam, love you boys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, or talk to you later.
John, Nick, chat, take it easy, bro.
See y'all later. See y'all later.
Chat. Have a blessed day.
One more question here of Nick. If price breaks the lows, is that a signal to also take off the trade? Yes, I would have stops probably sitting below 1950 here. So if if price does break through 1950, you may start to see a move, move down to correct this move here. So if you guys are in buys, I know some of you guys jumped in off the 15, some of you guys may have jumped in off the 30. Yeah, maybe some of you guys jumped on the 1 hour too, but yeah, that's probably where I would have stopped sitting is 1950 there. So yeah, good luck to everyone. Don't get too caught up on gold here. It's gonna be a bit of a barcode thing going on now. So 24-hour stream is gonna be coming in next Thursday. So next Thursday we'll begin during the Asian session. We'll move through the London and we'll move through New York. All right. And yeah, I think that is all. I think those are the only announcements. Stay patient. Stay patient. If price comes to you at noon, take it. If it's not A plus, just display that discipline, right? That you guys seen us display today. Very, very simple. Don't complicate it too much. And I think that's it for me. Yeah. Everyone in Zoom, I'll see y'all later. Appreciate you guys. Chat, love y'all. Hey, Z Gamer, TK, Classic Trader, all the mods, Green. Love y'all, man. Thanks for holding it down. Everybody else in chat, amazing work today. If you were disciplined today, big W, right? If you did take an L today, you took a lesson. Let it be a lesson. Come back tomorrow, fresh mindset. All right. Maybe we'll get Rafi on the Zoom tomorrow to come in and kind of piggyback on some of the things that we talked about today. But that's it for the class here today, gang. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. And I'm out of here. Peace and love. Deuces.